I don't even know what I'm doing here. I'm not answering any questions until my lawyer gets here. I'm sorry to inform you, Supreme Leader Donald Trump, your lawyer has been placed under arrest, as has your buddy Paulie. You know, Paulie, I like the guy. He's a stand-up guy. You know what I mean? I thought he was a good guy, but he flipped like a fucking chancleta on your ass, bro. He's fucking snitching. Everybody's snitching. So if I was you, I'd watch my back. You understand what I'm saying? I'm going to try to take it easy on you in here. I turn the cameras off. So if there's anything you want to tell me, let me know. You know what I'm saying? And I'll try to cover it up as best I can. Well, there's really, I mean, there's nothing I have nothing to hide. I've done everything up to par. You know, actually, I'm thinking about introducing a new legislation that makes snitching illegal. You know what I'm saying? So if you snitch on me, it's illegal. If you snitch on somebody else that's, not European descent, that's cool. But snitching on me, totally illegal. New law. Let's do it. Prosciutto, you with me? Fuck yeah, I'm with you, pal. MAGA all day. Let's do it. Hey, listen, you fucking pieces of trash. I know we took a week off, you ball bags, but we're back. It's the fucking #1 podcast in the world. This is Officer Prosciutto, the illustrious. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting here with my man Trumpito. You know what I mean? The fucking axis of swag. You know what I'm saying? And you are tuned in to the #1 podcast in the world. Live from 220 fucking West 18th Street, you fucking pieces of garbage. You coward. Dad! You fucking pig! Dad, you're a fucking pig! Michael, shut up. Michael, shut up. You know what? Do the fucking drop before I get in this kid's ass. He's getting on my nerves. Where's your fucking mother? Where's your fucking mother? She's probably at the fucking nail place, huh? Spending all my fucking hard-earned bread. Get out of here. This is episode 123. My eyes are redder than Mike at the roulette table. Fuck you. You know what I'm saying? Do the fucking drop. I'm tired of this shit.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Episode 123. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 1, 2, 3. That's right. For you people who, you're encroaching upon Harlem and you're like, all right, I'm not trying to go past 125, but 1, 2, 3. That's still hood, right? That's good. That's
like
good.
Sesame Street.
Nah, I don't want no blinds. Let people see my white ass. Yeah. So 123, we back in the building. You know what it is. Live from Red Bull Studios, the home of the most outrageous, contagious, and bellacious. That's not a word. Energy drink. It gives you wings.
Yeah.
You could listen.
Drinking the shit right now, B. I'm drinking the shit right now.
Drink this, take off your shirt and do 500 dips.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Like off the crosswalk side. Yeah.
With a do-rag on and them fucking mechanic gloves.
Shout out to 220 West 18th Street. You know what I'm saying? They got art shit for you art people if you're an art person. Also, if you want to, do one of those like Twitter cheap dates, you know what I'm saying? Maybe your girl don't want to go to Applebee's on 125 anymore.
Maybe not.
Maybe she want to expand her brain patterns and take in some fine art. Bring her down to the Red Bull Studios. She'd be like, yo, this is kind of scary.
Yo, this is terrifying, my nigga. Like, OD. Like, I would rather go to get electric lemonade. Why you doing me like this? Why they keep doing
that thing with the space shuttle? It's playing in the bathroom. I'm scared.
It's crazy.
I'm scared.
They had a dildo on the mirror. It was OD scary.
That was a good look. Shame on the person that kept stealing the dildo. How dare you?
I mean, it's a suction dildo. It's like, steal me. You know what I'm saying?
No,
like,
it's
if
not.
If you're under the age of 20, it's like, yo, come on.
No. Why would you steal a dildo? Think about the logistics about that. Now, say you steal the dildo and I don't know, you're getting on the train to go to your next destination or some shit.
Dildo falls out?
No, like you hop the turnstile. Now the cops arrest you. They pat you down. You got the wild dildo tucked in your pants. Or even worse, they're like, he's got some. Now the cops got the guns on you. And like, put your hands up. And you're like, it's just a pull up.
Pow, 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 pow.
You down with a pink 6-foot dildo in your head.
Nigga.
So wait, 6 inch.
Yeah,
that's 6 foot. That's like that's like a Chris Stapps dildo shit.
That's some anime shit.
You gotta ask them to open the fucking MTA subway door. They come in with that shit.
That's hentai shit, nigga.
That's the type of shit. Like you going up to your boo's room with that shit. Down to the neighbors like, yo, I'm calling the cops. No good coming from this.
Yo,
no good coming from this.
You get murked with the strap and shit. Cop is giving a testimony. He's like, yo, he had the 8-inch in the closet.
Yeah, he had the strap. It's like 50 Cent says, you got the strap.
Get the strap.
Get the strap. To freedom.
Yo.
Oh man.
Yo.
Damn, a lot happened in 2 weeks.
Yeah, man. Niggas getting locked up left and right, boy.
Yeah. People flipping on Trump.
Yeah, Paul Manafort, nigga, making shit stinky out here.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
Paul Manafort out in prison right now. he got to make fucking like the black hair gel out of fucking used coffee grounds.
That's it,
and
bro.
the lubrication gel
Ain't no
that goes on the
bro.
hinges. Ooh.
Well, Clyde can't save you, my nigga.
That nigga in there talking cash shit like, yo, move over for the only nigga that had a fucking custom ostrich jacket. Let's go.
Yo, you don't know about me. I got the wild fake Hermes knockoff
Oh,
shit.
I'm sorry. Do you ever overthrow a government in Ukraine? No, move over.
Fuck
nigga.
outta
Give me
here.
your soups.
Fuck out of here. Give me
Poor
all
man,
your
call me. I'm
fucking
the Birdman. I'm safe flying anywhere. This nigga getting wire transfers instead of commissary.
Michael Cohen's in there like, oh my God, what's going on here? I'm gonna fucking miss Rosh Hashanah. This is awful.
Michael Cohen was
My wife is gonna kill me.
He's a fucking lawyer, and now he had to like figure out his own lawyer. He's sitting there trying to remember what the number was. The number for the lawyers on the subway. He's like, what is it? 1-800 Abogada?
Abogada.
I don't know. 1-800 weapons.
Pregunta por Margarita. Damn. Oh fuck, I don't remember.
Like, can I talk to Celino and/or Barnes?
Niggas going
This is
1-800.
Keichel Moen. They're like, Michael Cohen. Playing on the goddamn phone.
Michael Bowen.
Wow. I just caught that. Wow. The problematic light. The problematic light is ringing out. Wow. I was trying to flip the letters, and now I have.
You sure did.
I have now flipped it into a nice little visit from the Anti-Defamation League, who will be pulling up to my house shortly. Joke's on them. I'm hiding until the sun goes down. Yeah. How y'all gonna catch me?
I'm turning all my lights off.
Turn off my bell. I just got the knock off. Like, that's work. That's work. Can't do it. It's Sabbath. See y'all on Monday. Yoink. Oh, wow. What a way to get started. But they don't know who did that because we didn't do the AKs because they don't know if it's me or you. That could have been Mero. That could have been Mero. That could have been anybody. Now it's your boy, D's Nice, AK D, hey, Young Chipotle, AK Pocket Fat Material, AK Chris That's Whistling, Eli Litby, Booches with Guns, somebody I might know you bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo, Mil Novus at the Neventa, Quattro de Juve Boss, MC Luca Gunga P pulling up for 40 with Shorty, AK Talk to Me in the Uber pool.
Nigga, I don't know you.
One time, talk to me in the Uber pool.
Nigga, I don't know you.
Don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
Nigga, I don't know you at all. No.
Don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
Hell no, I don't know you. Boom. Damn,
that shit's
so
rocking.
spiritual.
The original one, +1 got +1. Don't make a fuss on. Jesus Rossi, Jamaican Jew. Next time you get in the Uber pool, someone starts talking, you just start singing that out loud.
Just put that shit.
Put that shit out like, yo,
make that a voice
you
note.
familiar with this? Yo, say Twitter. You remember this song? Oh man.
Yo, who started that shit, bro? Because the first one I seen was was it Panic at the Disco?
Yeah, I mean,
and like, yo, by the way,
they got hits.
Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, say that we translators, even though I'm saying we translators, but my man DJ Watch the Fam.
We mentioned it, you know.
Played it, you know what I'm saying?
We got the deep cuts for the people. That's
You know
why
what
the
I'm
people
saying?
love the AKAs. Listen.
That's right, baby.
Listen, the original +1 got the original. My +1 got +1. So don't make a fuss, son.
Nah.
Jesus Rossi and Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado, so Young Father goes to Mufasa, Young Takuli without the coolery, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo K.
Oh shit, we out here.
Two Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, Demon Dr. Bond's label. Dilute.
Three times.
Dilute.
Yes, right. Or else you will burn your vagina.
You will. Burn your clip right off. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240 Peacock, like my peanut butter. Hey, DJ Woolite, aka listen to Wash FM.
What do we got today?
We got a little thing. I don't know, some of y'all, you know, some of our references have been a little too deep. Some making it a little younger for some of y'all. What y'all know about a little group called State House?
In a city near you, a new dance is caught national attention. It is reported a small town named Orangeburg is responsible for this new phenomenon. Elroy.
Get it.
A little State House featuring Soulja Boy. Crank that, Roy.
Crank that.
Very regional hit. Okay. Very regional hit, but you know what?
Shout out to everybody south of Mason-Dixon.
Y'all enjoyed that, all right? With your 32-inch spinners. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spike said, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion. Ray Nephew's nephew, the Marino. You cannot contain a human memory. Where to job? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. Henrik Bundella. Nelson Bandela. Sergio Can't See Me. Vladimir Booth. And the Human World is melting in your mouth. Mr. Beck's not that content. Ricky G. Squawky. Greg Popovich. Morrissey, Richard Chestnut. For all the yell out that are right now fast fast forwarding through this, you are going to miss out. Say after this credits, and there's a bonus scene for today's podcast. That's right. We're in the Marvel universe. How do you feel?
Kill Vision twice.
Yeah. The human weather melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex, I'll take it. Ricky T.K. Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morrissey Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that.
Yo.
The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it.
Goddamn.
The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peck. I'm the Fashion Over Casanova. William makes 10 cents, 10 cents, $10.
What you
Forget
on?
the small change.
No, forget it. What you on?
Big money. Whoa. Yes.
Big up.
We're going to get a Western Union ad based on that. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left. Man's is Marv.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Trill Rizzuto, holy cow, I'm at the money store. Mr. South Palm, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and...
what is that? What is that? What's in the back?
It's me, Sonny. I'm over here by the botulism. David Yerman. These expensive pieces, man. What? Bloody shoes. You're never gonna see my child culture. Never. Smokeem, no it. Andrew Kuhn and it. AKA the Junior Energy God Junior comes down.
Yo, sit on it. One pony charger.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. That was like I didn't bring a bitch on freeze here. I brought a. I forget it. The topic of gossip is Syosset. That's right. I'm in the quiet car with no headphones on, blasting Purple City Bird Gang.
Yeah, off the next hell.
Call the conductor.
I don't care.
You don't have to smoke.
I'll smack that nigga's stupid little hat off.
AKA Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Yeah. Mr. Top of that street, easy with the bad beats like I'm easy. Please believe in the black Asiatic addict. Crack your back like an automatic crap bag. Mr. La Marina, Mesmerino, fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor. AKA your problematic bae. Why pay for internet? Someone in your building clearly has an unlocked Wi-Fi.
Let's do it.
That is your penny saver tip of the day.
There you go.
From Cheap D.
Yeah, the Jamaican Jew.
Save your money, use other people's shit.
Yeah. And he coming in right now is your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? I respect I Juicy J. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your dog, keep it moving, I don't give a fuck, nigga. Call ASPCA, nigga. They got mad warrants on me, I don't give a fuck. AKA I'm a fucking baby, I'm fucking man, my nigga. AKA no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. This is my fucking Oscars party. Don't make me smash you in your head with this statue, you fucking foot action black tee wearing kid dickhead. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dad Bathia. Damn, that shit hit hard. AKA I bundled Mero Jr.'s album with merchandise. He's number one on the Billboard because Heather said she was gonna bring the Bodega Princess to all our tour stops. Now Nicki Minaj is subbing me on Twitter. God damn. Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. AKA Bitch Smack me up, AKA Diego Merodana, you know what I'm saying? I kick the ball, you know what I'm saying? And score a goal, you know what I'm saying? AKA Dick your baby Matumbo, you don't come with this pussy no more. You know what I'm saying? The pussy belong to me unless you bring me 20 goats. I want the goats from the Brooklyn tracks. You know what I'm saying? Those ones.
Bring the two MTA goats.
Yes, I need them. They're delicious. They're not bony.
Actually,
you know
those goats would make an amazing movie.
Oh my God.
Voiced by us?
Oh my God. Milo.
Goats on the lamb.
Come on. Milo. This is Milo. No, this all over again.
Nah, but they're like goats that smoke weed and drink and shit.
Yeah. Like
goats that get temperature and shit. Yo,
I'm smack. Yo, we at the city island.
Niggas is both getting domed at the same time. Niggas keep knocking their heads together like,
yo, we out here. AKA Bartles antenna so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel, crash the Accord. Bro, I don't crash the car so many times, bro, but I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna hand it down to my children. AKA the Dominican Dada Dagman Daddy, AKA swipe my card again, there's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on the shit, you're embarrassing us both. You know who the fuck I am. I was the voice of Paddington Bear in the popular children's series, man. Stop fucking playing with me. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me black out. I'll kiss your girl in the mouth at United Palace. I don't care. I dare you to fight me. I got Chelsea boots on, nigga. What's up? AKA Light No Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broken as a ever. And we are beyond that. We've discussed that. This is episode 123. We've discussed this for over 100 episodes. Do not approach a cipher with $5. It's not acceptable anymore. Inflation has gone up. Fucking A-Red food plane to the building. Weed price went up 10 grand this fucking week. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated, but we out here still. AKA Phil Dias Tyson. You know what I'm saying? Let me explore your cosmos mind. You know what I'm saying? Especially that Milky Way. When you take your drawers off, you got that little Milky Way on the strip. Yeah.
Nasty.
Yeah. Let me see that panty liner. Let me smell that.
Nasty Mero.
Yeah. AKA Final Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Baderfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me. at Mama Sushi. And
Mama Sushi.
Yeah, just want to clear up. I don't want to get sued by any, like, you know what I'm saying, drug lords. So we did not say that there was maggots in the sushi.
We
it
did
was
not.
a joke.
We did not say that. We
was a
clarified it
legend.
last time.
Come on.
Also remember.
Stop adding us.
Also remember, why go all the way to Uptown? Go to Sayasa. Go to Nana Sushi.
Nana Sushi.
Nani Sushi.
It's just an Italian lady making fucking like
The
eggplant
only sushi
rollatini.
made out of potatoes.
It's just eggplant rollatini with some tuna on top. It's fine.
You ever had hookah made of sausage? Pierogi flavored sushi.
Oh god. Yo, pierogies. Okay, come out of here. Yo, AK. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your hands with penis-shaped Q-tips because we are at Red Bull Studios and it sounds clean as fuck, dog. Listen to this. Beautiful, beautiful sound quality. I open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is. It's the Benzo God, the Zen Man. A.K. Rico Sabroso, A.K. Lucius Lioness, nigga. Come on, man. Officer, I have no idea who that cocaine belongs to. Of course, I don't know how it got in my anal, man. Come on now. Come on, man. A.K.A. Baby Newport 245 niggas got garbage on the way. A.K.A. Need your brush, shut the car down. A.K.A. Live from the front of Modell's wearing a faded Jason Giambi jersey t-shirt. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is sucking and needle exchange.
Wow.
Come back to me. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Some more rock stars left, homie. It's only the Bodega Boys. It's 2. That's it. No more rock stars. Everybody wants to be a rock star, but we're the only true ones left. It's the plantain sipping over in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Eating Jimmy's with a chop because I'm lit.
True.
You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Barmelo's Anthony pulling up from the VIP in H-Town. Bang! You know what I'm saying? If you see me in Target parking lot teaching my little Meros how to do donuts because it's Sunday and Bergen County got blue laws, approach me like a fucking Earthside mammal dog or get taken out by the X63. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I sold fake leads to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He sold 409 and Strawberry Kiwi Snapple talking about my bitch foreign, my bitch bad. Oh my God, I wish I had a dad. Damn, that was kind of sad. A.K.A. Hasan, tío, no me repito, coño. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el ejército de FIFA. El que baja con todo el flow. El motor del show, no te confunda. Ando con la paca, por mire el pana mío. Llegale a la grasa, el niño Mero del VIP no me apeo. Desde aquí arribota miro a los haters y le saco el dedo. Fuck you, motherfucker. Like my nigga Pio said, fuck you, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? We out here. So 123B. You know what I'm saying? Get correct. Get your mind right, son. Get ready to absorb these darts.
1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
As always, shout out to the sponsor, Narcan. Saving y'all niggas.
You know what I'm saying? Saving y'all
Narcan,
niggas.
saving y'all niggas' lives.
Keeping your guts from hurting.
And also, we got Cheetos Crunchies. Yeah, nothing Cheetos. Remember when Cheetos? Remember when the Cheetos guy was like mad cool? Now he's like mad zen. He's on that fucking.
He's like, yo,
do this, do that. Like, he be snorting Cheetos and shit.
Yeah, he's like,
nah, man, you just got Main Street and shit.
He's like, yo, bro. He's like, yo.
Listen, man, 330 calories per package. That's enough to get your kids to school, get them the fuck out the house.
Yo, fam. I was at Cheesecake Factory looking at the menu and everything is like, like almost 2,000 calories, and they say that 2,000 calories is like supposed to be your daily limited intake of calories, and I'm like, fam,
you gotta eat big. You gotta eat big, eat rich to get big and rich. You know what I'm saying? Do the Big Pun. Remember, Big Pun was a skinny guy from the Bronx, had a lawsuit, and then
ate himself to pieces.
You know what I'm saying? The dream shatterer.
You know what I'm saying? It's looking for green battle, assault and battle your team.
Guess who died? And it's not Prince.
Oh no,
you'll never guess. You get 3 chances. Go.
Guess who died? Okay, who died?
Hint. Famous TV show host.
TV shows. Pat Sajak?
No.
Damn. Oh, fuck.
Hosted a show about famous people's homes.
Oh, shit, my man. Robin Leach.
Yes.
Oh, shit. Robin Leach has
Leach has perished at age 76.
Wow. He's only 76?
Well, yeah, now.
Damn.
He's not gonna change past that.
I was like, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Ain't no more aging, nigga.
Listen, that sneaker ain't dead stock no more. Oh man, yeah, Robin Leach.
Damn, 76.
Also, shout out to him for still being around. I was not.
Fam, I thought he was trying to make a comeback.
Lifestyles of the rich and famous. Lifestyles of the rich and famous. You know what? Do rich people even own homes no more?
I mean, like,
because the whole lifestyle. Well, that was MTV Cribs when niggas was just renting shit. But also, you can't show people you live now because niggas try to run up.
Oh yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
You can't do that.
You can't do that.
You can't do that. You need the home security system and the fucking.
You need just a rabid dog just running the compound.
Yeah, that's it, bro. That's it. I just feed my dog gunpowder so they can devour the criminals trying to cut down my decimals.
Woo! Rest in peace, Biggie Smalls.
You know what I'm saying?
Who's turning over his graves after Nicki Minaj dropped Barbie Dreams or whatever. And everyone was like, this is the most original thing I've ever heard. Also, I'm 13.
I'm 13.
I'm like, you never heard.
Like, yo, listen, if you masturbate with your shower head, like, fam, like, you should not be commenting on the history of music. Like,
shout out to her, though. She got a beef with a baby.
Yo, that's so ill. Like, I'm like, fam, I'm flying in and I'm seeing all this shit and I'm just like, yo, is she really beefing with a baby?
Oh, she gonna fuck that baby up.
Is she gonna reverse Black China? This
she gonna
shit?
fuck that baby up.
Yo,
that baby don't even know. That baby don't have no kind of cognizance.
Damn.
Baby don't know, realize like when you close your eyes and open the eyes, the world still exists.
Nah.
And she like, nah, it's on sight for that baby.
Nah, it's on sight and the baby can't even see 6 inches in front of its face.
How is it on sight for someone that got no sight?
Come on,
You're not playing right.
that bitch can't even roll over yet.
But you know what? She does what she wants to do.
She's the queen.
She's the queen.
And you can't go against the barbs. That's the easiest way to get banned. The easiest way to get banned on Twitter is say something against Eminem or Nicki Minaj, and you'll
At
be
this
off
point,
Twitter.
you can survive a Barb's attack because they're going through it with her. Like she's not, like the tour.
Is she all there? Is she really? Because she had a quote where she said, like, I'm sitting here with my feet up getting my pussy ate. I'm like, actually, you're not at Apple Studios getting your pussy ate.
See, the thing is, like, people are just like, she sounds crazy. Which is an ableist slur. But she sounds like a girl for Jamaica Queens. She sounds like a girl at 3:30 p.m. Like a girl on the E train, just like mad loud.
Like, yo, y'all motherfuckers think I'm whack. Like, I'm popping still.
Suck my dick.
Like, suck my whole dick. Fuck out of here.
You're like, all right, it's a little unnecessary, but I get it. It's how we talk around here. So
that's cool. It's cool with me.
If people talk about like nervous breakdowns and stuff, it's not nervous. I mean, there's just certain shit I wouldn't get. I mean, but
like, fam, if
but you want that. If you want a little messiness from she's the queen. Yeah. And niggas is tuning in to the radio show and shit. So it's working out.
It's working. No, there's no such thing as bad publicity, apparently, unless you're like, And
I feel like she's gonna stretch. She's going to. She's going to be able to use this to, become maybe like a talk show host or some shit.
Oh, for sure. 100%.
Nikki in the morning. Oh,
you know it. And I feel like she's plugged in enough to like
she could definitely make that happen.
You know what I'm saying? Like she could just have Missy on as her first guest, like Obama on the same couch.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Obama, where's your beige suit?
Where's your beige suit? You slayed in that.
Yes.
And then he makes Missy and Obama trade suits, and now like Obama's in the big ass like hee-hee-how suit. You know what I'm saying?
That's one vision.
You know what I'm saying? We could do it. You know what I'm saying? We can make it happen.
Did you develop how was your vacation?
Oh my God, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. It was listen, I took a little bit of Flexerol this morning. It was Turks and Caicos. Drink was called Amanyara. I highly recommend it if you got the bread. Like
You said if you got the bread.
Like or if you got room on your credit card, but you fucking live. You only live once. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa, wow. Wow, that is terrible. That is terrible advice. Do not let anyone ever tell you. If you hear the phrase credit card and you only live once, wow. You are in a world of hurts. Okay?
I mean, listen.
I did that once 10 years ago. No, sir.
Oh, I did it too.
Okay.
Like, I had a $250 limit on my credit card and somehow ended up owing Citibank $5,000. I don't know how that happened, but it happened.
Fuck around, go a little too hard at Jimmy Jazz. Find yourself paying for a flight jacket 11 years later. The insurance, the flight jacket costs like it's off-white now. She just says crack and quotes on the side.
Like, yo, chill.
Damn.
Niggas doing me dirty.
Nah, credit cards is a Babylon thing. Remember, cash only.
Yo.
Cash, if it's not cash, Cash App.
Word. Yo, shout out to the people that were like reporting Square to us. Like, yo, these niggas use your phrase. Like, bruh, they're sponsors.
The same thing.
Like the sponsor of the show.
Also, no, like Trump said, no flipping, no snitching.
You know what I'm saying?
You seen Trump in that video with Mero? He had the stop snitching shirt on.
Yeah.
He was like ratting his at all-time high.
Yo, he's like, I'll never be Sammy the Bull.
He was like, yo, can you believe Alpo's back on the streets? What kind of shit is that? Game's fucked up.
Yeah.
Yo, George Zimmerman's still alive and X is dead. The game's over. I was like, wow, Trump, you speaking your piece.
They interrogate him. He's like, man, I know a couple niggas doing their thing down south. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not giving you no Queens niggas.
I'm saying that. Queens niggas stand up. You know what it is.
Kill you, get heckled.
Kill you. You know what it is. Me and the mob.
Imagine Donald Trump is how much. Imagine about Donald Trump is from Queensbridge. He's like, yo, we out here drinking Henny. Yo, I'm one of the 40 busters, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Shorty busters, fuck them QB niggas. I fuck y'all niggas. Rock you in your face up your brain with your nose bone.
You know what I'm saying?
United War. This is United War for the week. Okay, we come equipped for warfare. Beware. My crime family got enough shots to steal.
Yo, my mob is like a bunch of wild Puerto Ricans. I'll give them power eventually.
We keep the shook crews running like they supposed to. Ban and let them know. You call your name out. Your crew's leatherweight. My gunshots will make you levitate. I'm only 76, but my mind is old. Who's he talking? He's in the mirror. Let's do this shit
with the Queensbridge jersey on and shit.
It's like he's saying shook one line to like Paris Accords. He goes to the wing. He's like, just spoke to Justin. It ain't nothing really. Ayo done sparked the Philly.
Yeah. So I can take my man up these yellowback niggas.
While he's still alive.
I don't know, go figure.
Also, the most popular votes. Okay. Why is Hillary still alive? I don't know. Go figure.
Hillary just does like the wild front flip over a flaming shit, like fucking Quiet Storm video shit. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yo, Hillary is just out here, bro. Like Hillary gotta be smoking wild L's, just like watching the news, laughing, like
she warned niggas.
Like, haha, I told y'all.
And she did like she did that thing where women they kind of lead you to shit, like, and then finally they tell you when it's too late because you're just like, you sound wild. What is that?
What is he talking
He's working
about?
For Russia. Why would you tell me this in the middle of the debate?
Like,
why don't you tell me this like? You gonna tell me this at my mother's house and didn't tell me this like on the train?
Like on a car ride over.
That's why everyone was like, what? He's what? Which Russia?
They're like, she's nuts.
Yeah, we was like, what?
Pizzagate.
He was like, no, not a puppet, not a puppet. We was like, wow, that was wild. Also, remember Mitt Romney did that with Obama. He was like, yeah, we gotta worry about Russia. We was like, that nigga up. Yep. That nigga got a dancing horse.
Fam, that's the craziest shit ever. It's just like the way the shit leveled up from Obama and Romney. Like niggas used to look at Obama and Romney and be like, wow, these guys are complete opposites. And then you had Hillary and Trump, and it was like, wow, dog, is this a game show? Like, is this real life? Or is this like some terrible, like...
Because at least Romney and them niggas was like, yo, we play by whatever the corrupt rules are of American politics.
Yeah, we gotta rock.
Like you running a full down at West 4th Street and shit. And a nigga come through, and instead of dribbling, he start kicking the ball and bouncing off his head. You're like, yo, whoa.
Like, hey, this is sanctioned, buddy. You know what I'm saying? We could do this out here. You know what I mean? We out here hooping, my G. Relax. You know what I'm saying? Work on your handles, my nigga. If you can't take the cookies, you know what I'm saying? Get off the fucking court. And I got next again. I'm gonna fuck who next.
It's not right.
You know what I'm saying? And you can't ever argue with the dude at the court that's playing in Sims and says he got next.
It's like the prophetess Whitney Houston says, it's not right.
But it's okay. We gotta make it anyway.
Do they sing that at a kindergarten graduation? What songs do they sing now? Rowdy Rebel Computers?
Yeah. At my kid's graduation, they did Computers. We were all wilding, you know what I'm saying? We lit a car on fire and shit.
Just singing
like,
fucking Fifi.
Niggas beat up the teachers and shit.
It's like, it's like a Fifi. Listen, if my kid...
I've never heard that song. I refuse to listen to that song. Like, I'm not listening to it.
It comes on.
I'm not listening.
It comes on the radio all the time.
I can't.
It comes on the radio. But I thought you liked 6ix9ine shit.
Like, there's... You know what it is? It's so crazy. Like, the shit about him is, like, he got, like, one or two joints that I'm like, all right, this is, like... I used to make fun of, like... my white people homeboys, because I'm like, yo, what do you like when they used to listen to hardcore and it's just like, loyalty and brotherhood. I'm like, yo, you don't even know what this nigga's saying. He's not saying nothing. He's just screaming.
Mm-hmm.
And then they were like, nah, man, it's about the energy, like, and blah, 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 blah. And I'm just like, all right, whatever. And now I'm just like, all right, cool. Like, I kind of get that vibe from some of his shit. But, like, that doesn't negate the fact that the son is wild problematic and he's just, like, the wild troll. And he's also like...
He's
and
beefing
went on
with
Angie
Ludacris now.
Yeah, he's beefing with Ludacris. Like, come on. And Luda ain't looking for no trouble, bro. Like, he's just like, yo, I'm just out here trying to do a Justin Bieber remix every year, make my $5 million and chill. Like, why
Luda
you
rich
beefing
as
with me?
fuck. He don't got no reason to beef with nobody.
Come on. Like, this nigga's doing Pepsi commercials, bro. Like, he's straight. Like, why you beefing with Ludacris, of all people? Like, this nigga's just looking at, like, a list of, like, yo, let me see who's, like, is there anybody that I think is washed that I never heard of because I'm 12?
Yeah, Luda worth $25 million. Like,
Yeah, like, come on, bro.
like who saw that coming?
Yeah.
Put my girl up. Balloons.
You know what I'm saying? Boom, I feel like a midget is hanging from my necklace.
That was
That's a problematic term.
Is Luda? Yeah, I guess Luda is a legend, right?
You can say that.
You could say that. I thought that.
He had people up north listening to his shit.
But every time you hear "move, bitch," you think about Luda. So
Yeah, of course.
even white people think about that.
Yeah. He had some other joints too. He had what was another good joint? Yeah, Move Bitch. Yeah. Splash Waterfalls was
Splash
a joint.
Waterfalls, that was a good one.
Yeah, that was a good one. He had another one too. Didn't he have one with Chingy?
Everyone had one with Chingy.
With Chingy. Yo, I don't care what y'all opinion on Chingy is.
He had Fat Rabbit. Remember that?
Yeah.
Southern Hospitality. What's your fantasy?
Oh shit! We can
Roll
do it.
Out,
Oh
Saturday.
shit!
Move,
Smack a little
bitch.
booty up with my belt. Scream help!
Area Code. Stand up.
Yeah, doggy and froggy style.
A little. He was on a little song called "Yeah."
Yeah, oh shit! Thunderclap! Hey, thunderclap! Hey, yo! Did everybody forget about the?
Wait, you
Crunk
said
album?
Thunderclap? Hey, what?
Yeah. He
Oh,
was,
Usher
yeah.
Little John. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
I thought you was confusing the legendary Ludacris with legendary Elephant Man.
Oh yeah, no.
Then after that, he started like making. He had #1 spot. Yeah. Do. That's
I'm coming
we had to let him cook. We was like, all right.
That was an awesome
This
power
nigga using
soundtrack.
Austin Power samples. All right. Fine. Sometimes you get too big, and y'all niggas can be like, all right.
Alright, fuck it. Like, yo,
The same thing happened with Nicki when she did the fucking Anaconda shit. It was like, you make it. You making music for 16-year-olds now, huh? All right,
okay.
cool.
Yo, not for nothing. I'm glad you said that because I was like I'm just reading threads on Twitter, just like doing my research. That's the overwhelming response is like, yo, Shorty lost me after Anaconda. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I was just like, okay. I mean, I was never like a Nicki stan, but I fuck with Nicki. You know what I'm saying? But then like it's just like you bought the Wraith to China just to race to China. And then Laura Bincroft. I'm still trying to figure that out. Like I'm like the fucking meme with like the numbers around my head. Like I don't. What does that even mean?
Nah, when she did that Roman's Revenge fucking Illuminati performance at whatever award show and shit, I was like, this ain't it, Chief. Came through like the frog from the WB, like, this ain't it, Chief.
This ain't it.
Hey there, Nikki. This ain't it. This ain't it. Also, she released Roman's Revenge like 9 times. There's Roman's Revenge Reloaded, Roman's Revenge, More Revenging, Electric Boogaloo 2,
Yeah.
Roman Revenge Digital 2.0.
She's like the Bruce Willis of rap. Be like, yo, I'm gonna
bring
just
it
do
back.
the same movie 28 times.
Bring it back.
Pink Print Volume 8.
Hey.
Same joints. I just got a remix on there with Tekashi. And then she got wild OD with Travis Scott because Travis Scott went from like 100 joints, 100K sold to like 450K because of the merch and all that other shit.
Yeah, but she was doing it too. Everyone does that. Like even Kanye did that with
Yeah.
Actually, it wasn't Roman Revenge. I think it was Roman Reloaded. I don't want you stupid fucking kids coming in my fucking Twitter.
Oh, you niggas watch. You niggas don't even know about Nicki's albums. Actually,
It was Pink Friday, Roman Reloaded. Excuse me. Let's keep it.
Right.
Roman's Revenge was a song she did with Eminem that nobody asked for.
I feel like anytime anybody does a song with Eminem, it's like, yo, nobody asked for
You know what
this.
it is? I feel like Eminem's like, yo, I really like your shit. I want to work with you. You're gonna be like,
No.
Damn.
Like,
Like-
damn, this nigga rich as shit. He got $30,000 Jordans. I gotta say yes.
baby.
You know what I'm saying? Then you got your whole vibe going. Then you just come in like, Scooby-Dee, Scooby-Dee. I'm like, yo, this is a jazz sample. Like, can you like
He just
try to
comes through
like Scooby-Dee?
Excuse me. I think I have to cancel a quickie because I'm feeling a little sicky and I'm gonna go fuck Nicki. And you're like, oh Jesus Christ.
Oh God.
Here he goes, and he just gets faster and faster.
Faster, like,
you're
and the voice
yo,
gets like a little more gruff.
Come
It's
to
like,
and the lyrics are there. Can't say the lyrics. Listen, there's lyrical, there's wordplay, there's dexterity, but like it's like nah.
It's like he's like the equivalent of like Moneyball. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like where you just like crunch. It's like, yo, it's technically very good.
Yeah.
Technically, it's very good, but there's no bat flipping. You know what I'm saying? There's no swag.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, this nigga signed Yellow Wolf, B.
Is it yellow or yellow?
Yellow Wolf? I don't know. I don't fucking care.
Oh, man.
Like, Peanut Butter Wolf, Yellow Wolf? Like, come on, man.
Peanut Butter Wolf and Yellow Wolf are two different spectrums of music. Okay.
Peanut Butter Wolf is if, like, you're shopping for jeans in Japan, you're going to listen to some Peanut Butter Wolf.
Okay, Yellow Wolf is like, yo.
It's like, yo, I like...
Damn, my dad lost his job when the mine closed. Like that kind of shit. You want that? You, your father, your grandfather all drink at the same bar. She's called Black Lung. You want that kind of life?
You want that, huh?
Huh? Stay at school, you piece of shit.
Yo!
You're like, we live in Queens. Why are you talking to me like that?
Why you talking
And Queens niggas never rat on each other.
That's right.
Okay? That's your boy Donnie T.
That's right. I'll never snitch. I'll never flip. Don't ask me no questions. I turn into prosciutto when I go into Queens mode. You know what I'm saying?
Where was Rudy Giuliani? He's from East Flushing, New York City.
Of course.
1944. May 20. You know what I'm saying?
Are all the schmoes from Queens? Does Mobb Deep and like Capone Noriega and that whole Nas and everybody, does that balance out the fuckery of the Yakubians coming out of Queens?
Well, I mean, yes, because the Yakubians in Queens were like mob tied and mob related and their corruption, and you know, black people had to like create their own thing with Averex jackets.
Yeah. Except for the Firm album where they were like, yo, we're in the mafia.
Everyone was like, yeah, we're mafia. The mafia's like, no, you Bouillons are not. Get out of here, you eggplant colored such and such.
Foxy Brown was like, what'd you say?
Speak up.
Can you speak up a little bit, please? Talking to my other ear. I'm glad they put cannabis in that shit, and then they took him off the cover. Wasn't that a big controversy back in the day?
Cannabis on the cover of
the Firm, yeah, of the Firm album, and they were like, they took him off and they put in like $500,000. I don't know what the fuck.
I feel like that it was a Bronx ghetto rumor. I feel like that did not exist on any. Like to search it,
pre-internet.
There's very few. Sometimes Google, just to make you feel stupid, they repeat your search at the bottom result and they strike out a word like, nah, nigga, this doesn't exist with that word. Just trying to let you know.
Let you know, you coward.
People will fucking Google right now. I was like, this nigga looking for cannabis on the.
Come on, man. There's something in the room with like Matt Buttons. Like, yo, are you serious, B? Like, let me just go over here to this search engine with Shorty searching for extra virgin olive oil.
Google needs to invent that. It's called a love search bar, and it's just like a wristband on your wrist, and it just shows you what your boo is searching for at any given time, all day, 24/7.
Wow, that would be that'd be very weird. That'd be very weird.
It's about trust. What about us? What about us? That's right. All good relationship advice comes from Murder Inc. songs. What's love?
I got to
Just
do
be about us. Was that Murder Inc.? That was Ja Rule and Fat Jew.
Fat Jew. Imagine Fat Jew. Imagine you replace Fat Joe with Fat Jew. What's
crack?
Yeah, what's love got to do with it? Crack. I saw crack.
Oh, shout out to Joe, shout out to Shanti, shout out to J-Lo did she was at the VMAs.
Yeah, out here serving.
No, did not shout out the Bronx. That's cool.
She did it?
Shout out A-Rod, shout out her kids, shout out everybody else. The halal guy on her block that be giving her like gyro meats on Thursdays.
Damn, she didn't shout out the Bronx at all?
Nah, shout out to the Bronx.
But you know what? Cardi B came through and saved it and was like, Bronx bitches is popping. Ow.
Did she save it though? J-Lo, you're on probation. You're on Bronx probation. Don't let me catch you at the Western Meats.
Yo.
Okay? If I catch you below 149th Street without a pass, some trouble.
Don't let me catch you at Fine Fair. Let me catch you.
Don't let me catch you and A-Rod suited up at G-Bar after a Yankee game, getting light. No, sir. All right, I will attack y'all and I'll get on the shuttle bus. Because it's weekend construction. We got to rebuild the 2 train and the 5 train tunnel. You know what it is.
Construction B. Damn, they building now the Lincoln Tunnel's being constructed. God damn, bro.
It's being constructed or being repaired?
It's being repaired for like the next 2 years or some shit like that.
How much repair could the tunnel? Like, I mean, they do a good job. You never drive in like a tile pops off and mad water squirts at you.
You know what I'm saying?
Like then you'd be like, oh shit.
Like, I'd never been in a tunnel and been like, okay, I'm in danger. What was that movie with Sylvester Stallone where he was in some kind of tunnel? Daylight? Where the shit collapsed and he was just like, yo.
I think a bomb blew up or something.
Something like that, right?
What is this? Daylight, 1996.
Wow. Same year the Yankees won the World Series, by the way.
Oh.
And I became a Derek Jeter fan.
Oh wow! It was it's a waste management firm is loading barrels of toxic waste on the trucks, intending to legally dispose of them in a site in New Jersey. A gang tries to steal the truck.
Why would you want to steal toxic waste? Yo, 90s movies had the worst fucking plot lines. Yo.
Oh no, you know what it is? Okay, the truck, it has the toxic waste on it. But then some jewelry thieves are being chased by the NYPD through the tunnel. They crash into the truck, smash into a security booth into one of the trucks, causing the truck to detonate and resulting in a detonation of the resulting trucks. The tunnel entrances cave in and a devastating fireball sweeps through the tunnel, incinerating the majority of the motorists within.
Oh my God.
Only person to help is former NYC EMS Medical Service Chief Kit Laura Sylvester Stallone, who's now working as a cab driver.
Hey, I am driving cab now, but I'm certified to do EMS. So,
shout out to EMS workers, but that's a very New York. You know what I'm saying?
how you go from being an EMT to a taxi driver, my G?
I saw things.
I can't do it no more.
Wow, this Wikipedia page is long as
I
shit.
got my medallion. I'm good. Probably like, hey, yo.
Oh, he's disgraced. He's a disgraced EMS.
Disgraced EMS. What do he do? Give somebody
He probably tried to give someone like a CPR on his lunch break or some shit.
Nigga gave Mike Jack fentanyl and shit. Like, yo.
Wow. We just have a nest now. It's a problematic nest. And when Mero says something problematic, like when the eggs just crack, it's like creak.
Problematic. I'm a problematic bird. Yay. I'm gonna fly south. Be more problematic.
Remember, everything you hear that's problematic on this podcast is sponsored by Cheetos. The Mero is talking crunchy. Yeah.
Flamin' hot Cheetos with the flamin' hot takes.
Yo, shout out to NYCFC and Red Bull.
Yo,
you had the little, I'm saying, battle for New York this weekend. Shit was cool. I was on the field again at Yankee Stadium. Seems to be old habit now.
Oh,
you know
yeah.
what I'm saying?
That's regular.
Might just steal a base. Shit was lit. You know what I'm saying? NYC was popping. People was like, why aren't you rocking with Red Bull? I was like, because we rock with them on Fridays.
Yeah.
Also, Red Bull plays in Harrison, New York, and I have no idea. Harrison, New Jersey. And I'm just like, I don't know where that is.
Fam, last time I went there, I went to do a industrial service job, and I still don't know where that is. I know that you got to take a PATH train and then take a car. So that shit is deep.
Yes, it's a Red Bull arena. Oh, they got a whole arena.
Yeah, no, that shit's mad
In
big.
Harrison, New Jersey. All right.
Yeah, it's just gigantic. But it's like, yo, come on.
Oh, I've passed that. I didn't know what that is. I thought that was like some other shit.
So, just like, yo, the fucking...
When I'm in Jersey, I just keep my eyes open for wherever I'm heading and coming back. Like, come on. Like, I'm not sightseeing. Fucking look like...
Might catch a dead body wrapped on the carpet on the side of the road.
Or some... You could see it from the... That's what it was. It was the... what do you call that train? The PATH. Not a PATH. The... Jersey Transit.
Jersey Transit?
Yeah. Yes.
Going your way.
You know, it's running a little delayed. Sometimes you got to open up the bathroom door. And then, they got the top and the bottom trains. You know what I'm saying? So you're like, okay. Go to the bathroom. The bathroom is like, yo, the bathroom in New Jersey Transit looks like where all the ice cream from the broken machines in McDonald's shows up, but it's just the chocolate. It's just overflowing. Because the door don't even close. It just be like, it's like slamming or closing. And you go in there, you be like, God damn.
What is this, bro?
It's like if you live with sloppy roommates and people just keep putting garbage on top of garbage until it finally comes, you gotta take it out. That's what people do with shit on New Jersey Transit.
And it's always doo-doo sprayed around the perimeter of the toilet that does not flush, no matter how many times you flush the shit. It's just there, bro. It's like shit barnacles.
Shit barnacles.
That shit is terrible.
That was the name of my favorite rapper on Ruckus Records back in fucking 98.
Shit barnacles.
Shit barnacles.
Nigga had the vampire like fronts and shit. He's like, yo, shit barnacles.
DITC was our production.
You know what I'm saying?
He had a song with OC.
You know what I'm saying? With Milano.
Remix. Oh, that shit was lit.
Nigga had a joint with King Son.
Shit particles. Yo. My third vision. I got the... I was like, yo, this nigga spitting.
Yo, this nigga spitting bars, yo.
Remember his first album, The Inner Bowl? Oh, shit.
Yo, shit, me.
Remember J. Rule's song, Can't Stop the Profit? It was just him, but it was talking about those scrub bubbles from the... you put on the toilet when you clean this shit. Can't stop the scrubbers.
Chips from nuclear bombs power my Sega.
Yo, chill God. They got blue water up there. They got blue water up here. Yo, that shit's disinfected. Nah, that shit's non-cypher.
Non-cypher, divine God.
We just hear the wild saxophone sample like. Oh, yeah, this is real shit.
Yeah, real hip hop.
But y'all know this is real hip hop.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? J. Root Damage of reading mad books.
Back when, okay, why don't albums sell? This is the problem with album sales. Back in the day, you had to get up, get physical money.
Yep.
Maybe take the 41 bus to Fordham Road.
Yep. To the Wiz.
Pick up an album.
Yep.
Take it to the register. Purchase it.
That's right.
Go home. Maybe purchase some batteries for like your CD Walkman or whatever. And listen to this shit. Why should a stream equal that?
That's a lot of work.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. Fuck these. Streams are bad things. You gotta get rid of the streams. Gotta get rid of the streams. So everyone, I need you to go and I need you to get a pitchfork and burn down Spotify. Just run up in there. Burn down the servers. Burn down the servers.
What about Apple Music? Yeah, there's a lot of joints. What about Tidal?
All streaming is a slavery for music. I'm sorry, that's a hot take, but that's what I'm putting out there. That's what I'm putting out there. Young Hot Take, that's my name.
Yo!
That's my name.
Oh my God. And that's why, but now motherfuckers are getting creative. See, now they're doing merch bundles and shit.
But people been doing that. Kanye did that with Life of Pablo. Like, if you went to he actually had a fashion party. He had a preview of the Yeezy thing, and if you went to that, you got like a link to the album or whatever. And then like if you bought tickets for like the mosh pit, you got another link to the album. So technically, I bought the album like 3 times.
Oh shit!
Yeah, but I got like 5 different copies of it. But you know what I'm saying? It's whatever.
Oh, you lit?
I legally downloaded just to see if I still got it. You know same way Jay-Z sneaks out at night to sell crack at night, see if I still got it.
I stopped illegally downloading shit because it was just a pain in the ass to like rename the files.
It keeps you humble.
Because every time I download a song, it always come out like, you know, fucking.
You need to have some underscores out of nowhere in the name, because then you want to have like Ariana Grande, Ariana underscore, all capital Grande.
Yo, this shit is and this shit is just too tedious for me. I'm a hired assistant to just organize my shit because I got a PC tower with like a bajillion gigabytes of music.
This nigga said PC tower.
Yeah,
this motherfucker gonna plug his fucking PC tower in, turn it on, and dim half the lights in Jersey.
Exactly.
That shit got the loud fan, like.
It's like, yo, nigga, I got like 2 megabits of RAM. Nigga.
You can hear the fucking, and you can feel the hard drive crumbling as it's like processing. You're like, what is that noise? You kids don't know about that. You don't know how noisy hard drives used to be. Like, you don't even hear, if you hear your MacBook hard drive right now, you got to go to the Apple store immediately.
Immediately, because it's just about to explode in your face.
But back in the day, it sounded like your computer was chewing rocks. You were accessing the files. It's like, open the fucking text file and shit. The text file was like some titties, but drawn using like periods.
Yeah.
And, like, little assy art. More like nasty art. Yeah, nasty art for your assy. Ooh.
Let me see that assy hole, man.
Let me see that assy hole. It's like it's a butthole, but it's made from little circles, like asterisks.
You zoom out, it's just like a smiley face.
Yeah.
But yo,
look at that.
Yeah, bust it.
Look at this butthole. Look at buzz it, butthole.
Bust it, assy art, nigga. Now they trying to do the same thing with emojis. It's not the same, bro.
It's not the same.
Niggas stick to the classics.
Niggas is people are overwhelmed with titties, man.
That's right.
It's too many titties. We live in a high titty visibility lifestyle. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yo, fucking this guy. Have you heard of him? YBNJ.
Yes.
The rapper. He did an interview and then he was like, "Yo, I have no idea who Wu-Tang is."
Yeah. You still haven't gotten to Wu-Tang yet.
No disrespect, I don't know who they is, but I did South by
Hold
Southwest.
on. When you say you don't know who that is, what do you mean?
I know who they are. I don't even know. I don't know none of their songs. I don't even know what they look like.
You don't know? Can you name one? Don't answer. Either of you guys. Can you name one member of Wu-Tang?
No. Wu?
And then like my man posted some shit on Instagram. He's like, "Yo, this is disgraceful, blah blah blah." And I was just like, "Man, like that's like old ass shit. Like this kid's like 16. Like, do you expect him to like? When was the last Wu-Tang album? Like
a while ago.
Yeah. So it's like, fam, I don't expect this nigga to know about that shit. Like my kids know about Wu-Tang and shit like that because I played it in the house. So it's your responsibility as an adult and as a purveyor of the culture to put on the young generations.
They don't want to hear that shit.
That's my hot take for the day.
They don't want to hear that shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Nobody wants to hear that. Like people don't want to hear rappers that were around and popping before they were alive. Sorry.
That's the thing. Like,
That's just keep it funky. You know, every now and then you have that anomaly. Some kids like, oh, I listen to a real hip hop. Nah, you're weird. You're weird. You should be listening to rappers like what's his name? YSB Young Almighty J. This guy right here, huh? This little USB stick, huh?
Yeah.
Put him in the computer to the wrong way, flip him over, put him back in, put some data on him.
Yeah.
All right. Let me tell you all your little YBNs and your NBAs. Okay. Tired of it. I'm tired of you adding unnecessary letters to the front of your names. You're throwing off the nomenclature of my iTunes library.
Yeah, yo, that's what I understand. Like, why?
Your name's Almighty J. Just the rap is Almighty J.
That's it, bro. You could be.
What are you, a barcode, a UPC symbol? Why we just adding numbers and shit in the front?
Are you a publicly traded company, my nigga? Like, why do you have to have like little stock fucking exchange numbers?
You want to add 3 letters to your name? Go to law school. You can add ESQ at the end, huh? And your mother be proud of you.
Imagine fucking what's his name?
The law rapper?
Young little Boonk fucking going to law school.
Boonk Esquire.
Boonk Esquire.
Representing Michael Cohen.
Whole lot of law shit, nigga. Nigga just jump at the judge and fucking just dive on the table.
He just jumped to the table like nigga jumped to the jury box and shit, man. Papers fly up. Nigga broke my leg.
Yeah.
Grab the Bible. Whole lot of gang shit.
Whole lot of gang shit.
Yo, get him.
Order in the court.
Now, you see a lawyer grab the Bible, run out, making a viral video shit. Nigga watching his live stream and shit.
He's like, hey man, can I see that Bible real quick, cuz? Niggas run up. Hey, where's it going? Order.
You gotta do that shit, Judge Judy shit. She's like, yeah, let's shoot him.
I don't have time for this. Shoot his ass.
A whole lot of gang shit. You mean a whole lot of gang shit is going on?
Yeah.
Please talk proper.
Yeah, please. You're in my courthouse. I'm Judge Janine Pirro.
She's the worst.
She's the worst.
She makes Judge Judy look like your TT.
Fair.
Like Judge Judy smack you in the back of the head like, yo,
come on, do better.
But
Judge Janine Pirro was like, you fucking moolian. You lent him $500. You didn't know a fucking Puerto Rican was not going to pay you back $500. I made that mistake myself.
Here, take this fucking MAGA hat. Keep it moving.
Fuck out of here.
I know you were out of the country for a while, so you might have not heard about this breaking news. The Mike Francesa app
is up. Mike's on.
Mike's on.
$8.99 a month.
$8.99 a month, or for a steal, $98 for 1 year.
Oh shit!
Subscription. You get Mike. I guess you get. Do you get his tweets?
You get all the money.
You better listen. You get for $8.99 a month. I need a nude. I need Mike. I had to do it to you one time. I'm like, oh shit, it's the Pope.
Yeah, it's the Pope. I put the Pope hat on my other head.
Yeah, you know what it is. Late night Mike after dark.
Come on,
Yeah, it's a quiet storm, soft
right.
and warm.
That's right.
Yeah.
I got a.
He has a strategically placed Diet Coke.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He's like, hey, Giancarlo ain't the only one with a big bat. If you know what I'm saying.
Whoa.
Hey.
WFAN. Mike's on.
Mike's hard.
And not talking about the lemonade. And he's ready to go on the fan. Look below at my pole.
Yo, I can't wait till he figures out technology. Or like watching him figure out. It's like watching your baby take his first steps. Like watching him figure out like the internet and technology and shit is just like amazing, man.
He's gonna come up. He's gonna be the reason we have like robotic pictures. He's working on one right now. He's starting to scratch. He's like, how do you make a robot?
All right,
dear
robot.
Google, how do you make a robot?
Sincerely, the Pope.
He starts all his Google searches. Sincerely, the Pope.
Niggas like, how do I call this Avon Musk guy? I need to make some robots.
Sincerely, the Pope.
Yo,
Elon Musk.
He
lost something like $1 billion. He lost a couple billions.
Yeah, he went public. Think he went public or
He got
whatever.
tired of him.
Did he go public or private? I don't know what the fuck.
No, he was saying he was gonna go public or some shit, and like he tweeted.
And then he tweeted. He did the Tyrese move.
Yeah.
He tweeted the shit before. He's like, niggas crip walking on the timeline like, hey nigga, we about to go public.
Use all that iTunes money. Use all that iTunes money, baby. You don't want to do that.
Yo,
you don't want to do that. You gotta keep it quiet. Keep it underneath your hat.
Keep it on the low, B. Come
Keep it
on,
in the closet.
man. Come on, till the ink is dry, my G. Nigga want to go to space and shit. Him is Trump trying to start a space force and shit.
Space Force. We're ready to go in the sports. We are blasting that hose. I don't like Space Force because I feel like
Donald Trump would just be up there shooting asteroids for no reason. Like, yeah, I think that's his spaceship. Kill that motherfucker.
I'm just thinking about my great grandchildren and like when they get pulled over
by Space Force
for driving while black. Niggas on the rings of Jupiter and shit.
Hey, pal. Hey, roll your window down. Let me see your license registration.
Are you serious?
Do you know what you were doing?
What? I was doing like 500 light years. That's the fucking speed limit.
Yeah. But guess what? Your right turbo thruster's out.
It can't. It's made from plasma. What do you?
Yeah. Well, guess what? I seen it. That's my word against yours. So get out the fucking car, spread your legs. Let's see. Come on.
There's no gravity. There's no way I could spread my
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're going to float away into space together like lovers.
Oh, wow.
You got anything sharp in your pockets? Anything that's going to stick me?
Push the cop?
Niggas like, whoa, where you going?
Get out of here. Get out of here. They're going to drift off to the ice brick. Yeah. She's changed. She's changed.
Cops will be useless in space, but you can just shove the nigga away. Like,
I got to go to that fucking Cantalina fucking bar for Star Wars and shit to drink get my nerves back. And like, I'm like, wow. I almost died.
Yo, it's just crazy.
Can you believe we would have been a Gloxenbo hashtag?
Oh my God. Fucking
like,
Jabba the Hutt just chilling there smoking wild hookah like, yo, I thought you, Papi. Them niggas is crazy, Papi.
It's like little alien allies, like Black Earthlings matter. I'm like, thank you.
Thank you.
We do.
Appreciate you.
We do, ally. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pio's
up there with like mad tentacles coming out his head like, yo, my nigga, they put me over too, my nigga, but I'm good.
Oh.
Yo.
That's right. So if you're in anti-gravity and cops try to arrest you, just push the cop.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Just push him.
Just push him.
Niggas will float to fucking Saturn.
Boom, boom, boom.
Push him.
Push him.
Push him good.
Why don't they just play that when women are having babies?
I always
you get a baby out much faster. If you let women listen, as a guy who's never had a baby, never seen babies delivered, knows nothing about pregnancy.
Yeah.
I got some hot takes about pregnancy.
Okay.
And if you let women regulate their breathing during pregnancy, it's gonna take forever. Yeah. If you get like a good metronome going, or maybe like a morgue, or maybe like a fucking drum machine. I'm saying,
just get A-rap music up there, nigga, deliver mad babies mad fast.
You are now listening to A-rap music.
A-rap music.
He's beating on his stomach. The baby comes out like, "Whoa, what's up, damn banging?
Stop banging on the damn cervix."
Oh,
yo, yeah. No, I had Pusha queued up on my phone, and I was like, you know what? Maybe this is not the best time.
Mm-hmm.
Because
gotta put swag surfing on. No, swag. Your wife gonna be tight if you, the doctor, the nurse, start swag surfing and shit.
Moving the little mirror from side to side. She's like,
I surf. I can't see if I'm dilated.
I can't see the baby's head. The baby's crowning, yo.
The baby comes out dressed as swag surf. Like, baby whipping the fucking umbilical cord over his head like, I swag. I saw there's like fucking placenta going on everybody and shit.
Test Swoop is like, give it up for Mero Jr., nigga, and the motherfucking brother. Yo, big man, I want to see you up front.
Let's go.
I want to see you up front, big man.
Going over swag.
The nurse is like, sir, can you go to the warmer, please?
Other babies come out the fucking needle. You're like, yo, this shit is lit.
Yo, shit is
Y'all
lit.
Y'all heard they got 10 smooth over here.
Yo, it's lit.
Yo, so we'll get the waitress. I'm ordering. It's all me. I'm only 3 days old. Let's go.
Let's get it.
Nigga said I wasn't supposed to survive. I've been here a week. Let's go.
I'm in a NICU.
Yo, what's up, Jacoby? We good. We out here. On my dance show. Nigga take a picture, pointing at each other like, yo, he only been here 2 days. We already know what it is. Yo, babies out here. Babies getting money. You know what it is.
Nigga, we out here doing
BGM. You know what that? They put a stack of money on his head, but they got the soft spot. It's just 6 in.
Nigga just got the wild money holder in his head. Nigga's head becomes a money clip.
Oh shit.
Oh god.
Babies getting money.
Babies getting money, nigga.
Was one of the most notorious gangs in the 1980s.
BGM.
They ran Soundview Projects, Metro Projects, Twin Parks East,
Millbrook Projects.
I remember BGM used to have beef with Sex Money Murder. But BGM took it too far, shit.
You know
what I'm saying? And then when Sex Money, they poisoned the Infamil. That was a bad
that
day.
was bad,
That's why
you know what I'm
BGM
saying?
shot up the football game, but you ain't hear that from Beat That. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I
Yo,
mean?
now if you don't mind, I'm gonna charge my phone on one of these fucking NYC USB things that you can watch Pino on.
You know what I'm saying? I gotta get right. You know what I'm saying? I ain't busting nuts since I came home. You know what I mean? That niggas feeling foul. You know what I mean?
Nah, someone that was awake, but
You know what I'm saying? Why? But I be wild.
MetroCard gives you access to your wildest dreams. You hear someone talk like that, you're like,
nah.
No.
I'm good, man.
No.
Ciao.
That's not cool. That's not cool. Not cool.
Yo. Oh my God. I just been thinking in Travis Scott ad-libs ever since
It's
the
lit.
album dropped.
Do you like Astro World?
I fuck with it.
You fuck with it?
It's very fluid. You know what I'm saying?
Like gender fluid? Or
like it's like the songs like flow into each other nicely and shit. Like
yeah. It's a good album.
The end of a song comes and the other one comes in and you don't even realize till you're like, oh shit, this is a totally different song. Take heat, fuck these niggas up.
People were like, where are all these Travis? Why is self-made copies? People don't really fuck with Travis Scott like that.
Man,
Like,
niggas are jumping off of balconies for this nigga like 6 months ago.
where was y'all during Al Farrow and shit like that? Like, y'all was not. Come on, niggas been fucking with Travis Scott for a moment now. Remember he flamed us, telling us to put the fucking hat on Juicebox?
Oh, Juicebox, I was like, nah, B, that's not
I'm
happening.
not doing that, man.
Come on, you got to come on the show for that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Show ended. Can't be on it.
You know what I'm saying?
Can't be on it.
Come on with the new shit. Yo, you got to be the first guest on the new joint and bring your kid.
No, the first guest on the new shit is Obama.
Obama's gonna go. He's gonna go through Wild Smack like,
Yo, where's the fucking bear? Where the fucking bear?
Yo, y'all niggas ain't really Choom Gang.
Y'all
Niggas is frontin'.
smoke bully,
Yo, the green room don't smell like green. What's going on?
You niggas got the baby lungs. I know Mero got mad babies, but I didn't know he had baby lungs as well. Sad.
I'm like, yo, Obama do a dab with us. He's like, nah, nigga, I don't do that Babylon thing.
I don't smoke other people's shit.
I just smoke joints. Smoke cones out here.
Michelle, bring my rig.
Let's talk about with the wild like flight case with the burnt torch and all the fucking dabs and shit.
She got mad fragile stickers on it. I buy its own seat in first class. Can't risk just having it anyway there. If I lose everything.
Yeah.
That's when you gotta like travel with a dab ring and shit and like.
Yeah, that's a lot.
I don't know.
Fam, you're not getting through TSA with that. You're saying it's gonna be like, yeah, what is this? You cannot bring a torch on a plane, my nigga. Like, you can. This needs to go in your check baggage. Like, I don't know who told you that you can bring a fucking torch on a plane, my nigga. Like, for real.
There's not many places you can bring a torch.
Oh, ask Eddie West Indian father, and he will disagree.
Like maybe like TCI or some sort of like business, some sort of
Apex
school for
Tech?
like doing like HVAC repairs and shit. Any money other places, people you show up with a torch, people are gonna be like, that's about disrespectful.
Fam, why you got a butane torch?
Unless you come in like creme brulee or some shit. Like,
Oh,
just
true.
like that. But that's like for a specific time. Like, don't bring the shit to the table. Shit's still lit. Like,
Shut the creme brulee.
like niggas is talking, you just like making the shit spark off. Just, like, agree with this shit, like,
Yo, we ran out of sparklers here at Mama Sushi, so we're gonna be using butane torches.
ooh, that's our new nightclub called
know
the
what I'm
Home
saying?
Depot.
Yeah.
Oh shit, we're gonna be old Home Depot, and when you buy drinks and shit, it's gonna come in like instead of like a bucket, it's gonna come inside like the fucking spinning thing from inside a washing machine, and we just attach propane torches on the end of that shit.
You gotta get the $5 bucket, the $5 Homer
The compound bucket, yeah. And they're not gonna carry it out. The fucking bar girls gonna come out with the hand truck with the shit on,
With aprons,
Yeah.
with their name written on it in Sharpie.
and the fucking belt to protect their back when they lift, and the slip resistant pants. What's up? What's up?
With the wild scuff Tim's like, yo, this is my work Tim's. Like, fuck out of here.
Yeah.
My shit at home is way OD more clean.
She just come with like the fucking spark, like like the shit in front of you, like she's taking too long. You getting dizzy from the fumes.
Yo.
Yeah.
Oh my god, damn! That just took me back to being in
back.
DR, like, and just being like, yo, this stove is like from 1928, so we're just gonna.
You trying to
run the
walk to your
gas.
table with VIP people like, yo, you need help? Yo, you need help?
You good?
Yo, you need help? I got you. Like, yo, like $100 an hour. Yo, I lift shit.
God, you know what I'm saying? I'll do anything.
I do roof work, everything, man.
I do roof work, waterproofing, mechanical, electrician, plumber,
You
carpentry.
can't let a guy from the U-Haul parking lot wire your house.
Nah, you asking for trouble.
Nah. He's like, nah, I know it. Come on, positive, neutrons, electrons, so good, daddy.
Plus and minus go together. That's
So
it.
good.
That's all you need to know, B.
Can I get a bucket of water to stand on while I repair this light switch?
Yo, them niggas really, and it's funny because like if you pull up on them, like they will not deny that they know how to do anything. You'll be like, yo, do you know how to do underwater pool filter installation while the pool is full?
I don't, but you know what? I'm a quick learner. So what's up? Let's make it happen. What's shaking?
Yo, I got my own van. Yo, it might break down. You might have to tell me a cord, but fuck it. You got a winch?
You're like, yo, what's your contractor number? They're like 7493447837539
100.
Like, wait a minute.
Wait, did you just give me Hot 97's phone number?
You call it Ebro's like, no, he's
he's semi-licensed. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, him and L Books.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Man. Have you ever used Home Advisor?
Home Advisor?
Yeah.
Like to buy a house or like contracting shit?
Yeah.
I got a guy.
Oh, you got a guy?
I got a guy.
You got a guy?
Shout out to G Fella.
You got a guy?
Yo, shout out to Shark from Morris Park and shout out to G Fella. There's a guy called G Fella.
Oh yeah, I got a guy. I got a guy.
Hey, I got it. You needed loafers for half price. I got a guy. Your M5 is fucked up. I got a guy. Yo, I'm like, yo, this can't be life. I'm like, yo, I thought it was a parody, but the nigga was dead ass.
Fella.
G
Wow.
Fella.
That's a throwback.
I got a guy that gets your plasma TVs half off. Want to bet? I got a guy. You like the Jets? Got a guy. I got a guy that puts us behind home plate at any time. Got a guy that makes your car go bye-bye. Kick back the odometer. A guy that'll show you the heat like the mountains.
Wow. I think we had a new character. Michael Anthony's brother G Fella, who went on to be successful.
Yeah, I got
Comes
a guy.
back, it's like, oh, you still doing this garbage in the basement?
Yeah? You still doing this fucking dog food?
You want to get clean? I got a guy.
I got a guy.
Michael, why can't you be more like your brother? He has a guy. He has a guy for everything.
He has a guy for everything. He has a guy for Yankee seats, BMWs, everything.
Ma, don't even work where I work about this piece of trash. Come over here. Let's go to Nana Sushi's.
I got a guy. You get us a nice table there.
Don't worry. I got a guy.
Yo.
Oh
my God. Shout out to G Fella.
G Fella. That's a throwback. That's a Staten Island throwback. Damn, son. Where'd you get this, Mulian? You're like, whoa. You're listening to Victory Boulevard Radio. Victory Boulevard Radio.
We only play Frankie Valli and white rappers.
You know what I'm saying? Sponsored by Saving Your Ass. It's who? Narcan. Like, oh shit. Damn, niggas have to. Is Narcan brand name? Do they have a knockoff Narcan?
Do they have a generic yet? When they release the generic, that company's gonna go astronomical.
Oh, it's Naxalone.
Oh, Suboxone?
Oh.
Is Narcan generic Suboxone?
No, Naxalone is
Naxalone?
generic.
Is it generic? Oh shit.
Yeah, man.
They getting guap.
Yeah, we getting money. We getting Narcan money.
We getting Narcan money. Yo, the more I listen to this song, I'm like, damn, this shit was wild problematic.
It was. What's also problematic is basically the people who make Narcan also make opioids. So, are you allowed to do that?
Isn't that like...
Is that a glitch in the Matrix? I mean, no, it's different people probably. More probably not. You know, this is one of those things where facts make it not fun. So we're not going to go into facts. We're just going to use our best. We're going to use our barbershop balls.
Logic.
And I'm going to be like, yo. Yeah.
Niggas make the bullshit.
It's collusion.
It's collusion, B. You want niggas to OD so you can help them from OD and have them OD again. Motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Where was Knockhead in the 78 when Titi was leaning in the hallway? You know what I'm saying? Talking about, nah, go, Bobby. You can leave me right here, Bobby. I'm good. I'm all right, Bobby. Fucking Luby did the commercial with the the commercial always comes out at Knicks games where it's like the fake doctor and he's like, if you're addicted to blah 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 blah, and like Luby somehow edited himself into that. It was just like, yo, you know what I'm saying? I'm not proud of it, but I was sucking wild dicks, you know what I'm saying? And I had a problem, but yo, the doctor got me right. And then it just goes right back into like the regular people being like, yo, I went to rehab and I got better. I'm like, wow, my guy.
I saw that. He's
yo, you're wild.
He's a wild. That's a wild boy. Wild boy.
Wild and crazy boy.
Oh man.
Damn, remember that show?
What was that?
Wild and Crazy Kids.
Oh wow, yeah, I remember that.
Omar Gooding.
That was a
Before he was a goon and baby boy, he was sliding down water slides and shit with a Gumby.
shout out some goodies, the goodins.
The good. How many of them is it? It's Omar, Cuba,
Cuba, Libre, and
Cuba Libre,
Dwight.
Dwight, Cuba Gooding.
Up to no goodin. JB Smooth and Gooden.
Yo!
Hey, yo.
Oh my God.
Nah, shout out to them.
Shout out to all y'all niggas do y'all thing, you know what I'm saying? God, word is born, you know what I mean?
Word is born, word is big.
You know what I'm saying? Word to God, yo. Damn, B. I still can't get over LeBron being on the Lakers, man. I don't understand it.
Listen, LeBron seems happier now. He's out in LA. He's got more time with his kids. He's dancing in videos and shit.
Yeah, he's doing his thing. Respect.
Season hasn't started yet, but you know.
Respect.
I mean,
he's not gonna play no preseason games, probably. I don't think so.
No, I don't think so. But I'm just saying, when the season starts, we'll see what happens. Because I mean, they got a good team, but I mean, the Warriors still right there, baby.
Yeah,
Warriors ain't really go nowhere. Warriors probably just got
team.
better than they was last year.
Yeah, they got fucking DeMarcus Cousins and shit. Like this shit's gonna be a problem.
That's just gonna be whack. Because when are they playing on Christmas or?
I think they play each other on Christmas, and then the Knicks play the Bucks on Christmas.
Oh,
so I'm just ready to watch Kevin Knox dunk on Giannis Antetokounmpo fucking
in the first quarter.
In the first quarter, and then they lose by 38.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, exactly.
I almost got into a fight during Christmas, like a long time ago. Somebody was talking shit about the Knicks, and we were getting washed. But it was Christmas, so I was getting all drunk.
Yeah,
and I was like, nah, fuck this.
Nah, fuck
I was like, you know what? You gonna talk shit about my Knicks? Because they were like a Laker fan, but they were from Brooklyn. And I was like,
you're a cornball.
Come on.
Fuck out
come
of
on.
here.
How'd your father raise you like that?
Yeah, you clown.
Who does that? You get a fan of the team where you was born.
That's right.
Okay?
Wherever your birth certificate says, that's your team, pal.
If it says you're born, if you're supposed to be rooting for the Schenectady Quacks, then well, listen.
That's what you do.
You fucking root for those fucking Mallards.
That's right.
Okay?
All right, pal? That's a direct order from Officer Prosciutto. You know what I'm saying? Don't fucking root for another.
Don't be a front runner.
Fucking De Blasio over here talking about he's a Red Sox fan. Get that guy out of here.
Get him out of here.
You know what I'm saying? Obama, he should be fucking rooting for the Kenya Cucamongas. You know what I'm saying?
Problematic birds like.
It's like an area in a cage.
Just turn this shit into the fucking tiki room in Disney Road and shit. In the tiki room. You know what? If you guys do you guys remember the tiki room?
The tiki room?
The tiki room with all the little animatronic birds and shit, and shit was kind of scary. They redid it. Every time Disney redoes an attraction, I'm 1,000% sure they had to do it because they realized like the N word was in one of the songs.
Oh yeah, it was right.
Has to be.
Yeah.
Pirates of the Caribbean, I'm sure there was like, it's a boat. But then out of nowhere, like the boat takes a sharp turn. And I think that's because they probably were just like, oh shit, we have a whole part just for selling slaves.
Oh, never mind. All right, we're gonna turn around.
Short detail right here.
Yeah, no, we're just gonna go get spices that we're not gonna use ever in the history of our Jacobian kinds. Yeah, we're gonna bypass that.
Even the music of it is like.
God,
that sounds a little too much like happy slavery.
Yeah,
like they can just pick a cotton with the wild gin, like with the wild smile, like yes sir, boss.
Yeah,
yes. No, I work for free. Yes, it's your birthday.
Yeah, boss.
Oh, Master T, that's so good.
Yeah,
I love him.
Yeah, it's so good.
Oh, boss, we sick. Oh
no.
Oh,
yeah, give me the pig feet.
Oh no, you're too good to me.
You're too good. No. May love you. May do anything for you.
Boss man. Him try to rebel.
Yeah.
Little Disney, the Disneyfication of slavery.
Yo, listen.
Eventually, I think enough time is almost passed that Disney could have like Slave World and shit. Just make it seem like some totally cool shit was happening.
Imagine they did Slave World, but they were like mad tone deaf about it, and it was just like you go in there and you get a slave, like, and
they just follow you, and
just follow you around and do shit.
At first, people are like, I'm outraged by this, but then around like 2:00, when your toddler's kind of cranky and you got shit to carry around,
you're like, yo, here's slave.
Here you go, Melinda. Here you go. Come on, let's go. It's raining. Cover us with that umbrella.
But I don't care about your hair.
Just kick her on her shins.
I don't care about your butt. She's like, motherfucker, I went to school.
You're like, not today. You don't. Pull hard on her chain. Oh,
God.
Disney is like, at the end of it, they're like, well, if you'd like to keep your slave, it's just $10 more. You're like,
Oh, yeah.
no.
It's like a souvenir cup and
Yeah.
shit.
Oh, it's our deep dark Disney. You go on that? What's that ride? It's a Small World After All with all the kids and shit.
That shit is mad.
And you on there? You're like, yo, this is dope. You get to the end. You're like, oh,
wait a minute,
Billy?
What?
Billy? That's right.
Yeah.
The whole ride was a distraction. We took your kid.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you feel?
Yeah, he was in the 90th percentile.
Now, how do you
For
feel?
higher weight.
Now, look, your kid is missing. Now you're crying at the end. You're like, someone took my kid. Someone took my kid. And you're like, oh, well, talk to the government about that. Good luck with that. Have a good day.
Get out of here.
The whole park is just to make political statements.
Niggas make you kneel before you get on the teacups.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
oh shit! Like wow.
Oh shit! Yo,
you want to go on fucking Space Mountain and shit? Niggas gonna make you go through wild TSA. I go through I was like, who are you talking to? October 13th from Jalalabad.
Huh?
Strip naked.
Get out of here.
Niggas crying.
Grab your butt.
You gonna be on the roller coaster with niggas? Niggas just sobbing like.
You know the pictures they take when you're on the roller coaster? It's just you crying. Like,
they violated me. Like, yeah.
I'm gaping.
This is the part where I blow your mind. That amusement park, guess what his name is?
What?
America.
Oh!
Wow. Drop some bombs. Boom, 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 boom. Stay woke.
America. With
the triple K.
You know what I'm saying?
A lot of people don't realize the triple K, when you spell it like that in America, is supposed to represent the Ku Klux Klan.
Oh.
That's what you could put in like a tweet, and like 15 and 16-year-olds be like,
yo, that's crazy.
That's crazy with 3 Ks.
Yo. That's crazy. Okay, KK.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to the little Scrappy, bro. Damn, they were on top of the world for like a hot 3 years? 2 years?
Listen, you gotta make the most of when you're on top.
Nigga had crunk juice. Remember that shit?
Crunk juice.
Wow, bro. Oh, I feel like he could have really gone bigger with the merchandising.
He's on Love and Hip Hop now. So
yeah.
Does
that mean that you took an L? Because like a lot of these dudes have like other stuff going on behind the scenes, where they keep making money. Like Ludacris, like you hear a Ludacris song like maybe once a year.
Yeah, but it'd be like in a car commercial or something.
Yeah.
Listen, Check is not an L.
Yeah.
Check is not an L. And he's on TV. He's with Mona Scott. You know what I'm saying? He's out here.
Like, bruh.
I don't think he goes by Little Scrappy. I think he goes by Scrappy Esquire now. So.
Scrappy Esquire?
You want no problems in court? Call Little Scrappy.
You don't want no problem. It's just him with the little glasses.
Yeah. He's got the book. Like, yo, throw the book at the judge. Throws the book at the judge, ends up in contempt. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
It's true. The rumors is true. When the baseball playoffs start soon, right?
Yeah, I can't wait.
What's the wild card situation looking like?
I think the Eagles just still got it. I think we're gaining on the Red Sox, maybe because they lost to Cleveland yesterday.
Yeah, but we lost to
Florida.
Yeah, we lost. Come on, to the Marlins, dog. Like 9-2. Like, what the fuck?
Oh my God.
That's some West Indian.
Like,
don't come home shit.
Yeah.
Like, they changed the locks on you. Like, yo.
I was watching it and it was like 0-0 in the fourth, and I was just like, yeah.
All right, we're 4 games up on Oakland. Okay.
Yeah,
it's
no,
doable.
good.
It's doable.
Yeah, Oakland's not making no run. B, get out of here. You got 2 aces. You know what I'm saying?
Well, Oakland got their foot on
Seattle's neck.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I mean,
it's either gonna be Seattle or Oakland. I'd rather have Seattle because Oakland got pitching.
Yeah, I feel Oakland's weird. Remember Oakland threw the perfect game, and then the guy was like yelling at A-Rod about don't
walk over the mound
and shit.
Yeah, and everyone's like, "Fuck you, bro."
He's like,
I do what I want.
Smell my finger. That's all J-Lo.
That's all J-Lo. Stupid.
Dig it deep.
Yes. You smell that adobo, papi?
You smell that magnesium?
Stupid.
She 50. She still make that shit bang.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You cornball.
I'm making her hit her nose for real.
You know?
How you feel? I bring 2 bats to bed.
Come on. Mine and the other one. You feel me? Stupid. My crib got a retractable roof.
My doors lift up. I got the shit that the government got.
Romeo Santos be serenading us while I smash.
Wow.
Imagine niggas just singing to you while you smash and shit. Like, smash that pussy hole.
That nigga like 2 feet away from the bed.
Niggas smelling it and shit. Like,
he puts his hand on the mattress to stop it from banging against the wall. He's like, "Yo, your kids are sleeping. I'm looking out
like,
for you."
It's okay.
I'm like, "Thank you, Romeo."
Niggas just leaning on the edge of the bed so the shit don't slide down.
So they come with 2 cups of ice water for both of y'all. Like, yo,
you good, Poppy?
y'all was going hard. You about to get up and get the towel. He's like, no, I got it. I got it,
Bobby.
I got it.
Nigga slips in your bathroom because he's wearing brunch boots. He's like, I can't wear these. Are ceramic. Oh my
Get his
god.
head and die. And then technically you could be like, you have the dick that killed Romeo Santos.
Yo, I just gotta learn to stick my chat down and lose 20 pounds. I'm in there.
You're right there. Once you figure it out, it's quiet for these bitches.
Quiet. You know what
It's
I'm
quiet
saying?
for them.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero Santos.
Swag Ventura, nigga. We out here.
Mero Santos. He's just gonna stand on the stage at Yankee Stadium for 2 minutes like Michael Jackson. With the big fan. He got the choke float and shit. Everyone's gonna be on because that's like, who the fuck is this?
Who is this?
Let me get some garlic. Who's this guy out here?
I'm like, yo, it's Mero Santos, papi. So zany.
They're like throwing out the first pitch. Like why did he build a stage to throw out the first pitch? Why does he have dance like opening pitches at 7:20? Mero wants people to be there at 6. You got mad J-Lo explosives and like a whole choreography.
Mad pyrotechnics. Niggas on hoverboards and shit. Like,
You're bringing out people who mean a lot to you that everyone else is just kind of lost and shit.
yo.
Like, give it up for G fella. Everyone's like, he's like, oh shit, I gotta go, guys. You take my place in line.
Yeah. Oh shit. I got a guy. I got a guy.
I got a guy. Hey.
Hey, is that what I'm gonna do? Is that what I'm performing? It's like
It's 2018. Check out my new single coming out called "I Got a Girl, I Got a Gal." It takes I'm donating the proceeds to the Me Too movement. Okay.
something tells me that guy's not super feminist.
I feel like he's part of the Me Too movement. I just feel like he's like a supporter of it. If you know what I'm saying. And then they gotta stop. They gotta break down the soundstage. Like it's gonna take 10 minutes and shit. All the Yankees in there, like, yo, we playing. They dragging the soundstage over the mound and shit. It's like doing divots in the field. Man, grass missing.
Cece's like, yo, what the fuck, yo?
It's like, no, chill.
Y'all fuck when y'all up.
Yo, chill. This is a second of 5 frame set changes.
Yo.
Like, oh, I can't do scene 3 until the sun goes down.
Nah, B. Chill. You niggas wildin'. Yo. But yeah, Yankees got the wild card, man. Get the fuck out of here. Everybody's like, yo, they're not gonna win the division. They're gonna win the division. I can't wait for the fucking Red Sox to lose. Bro, you know how delicious it's gonna be for the Red Sox to lose in the playoffs?
To who? To Houston?
To anybody.
To anybody?
Anybody. Like the first fucking I always call it the first round for the casual baseball fans, but the ALDS. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They losing that? Oh god.
What if they win and the Yankees don't go on? The Yankees lose a wild card.
If the Yankees lose the wild card,
yeah,
I'll watch exclusively just to watch the Red Sox lose.
That's a real Yankee fan.
Yeah,
that's a real Yankee fan.
Yeah.
I've done that.
Yeah,
I've done that.
Like I've just watched.
I've gone to bars to watch the Red Sox lose.
Yeah,
the Red Sox and the Mets.
Yep.
Because I am what you known as a hater.
Player hater.
It's a whole new playoffs. When you watch the playoffs just to watch a team lose.
Oh, so good. Oh my god.
You got a bar and someone they're going through it. And it has to be like a close game, like a 1-1 game. I don't want to see you lose like 8-1.
Nah.
Because you lose 8-1 in a second and you come to terms with that shit.
Ooh, the best thing ever is for a Red Sox to lose in 15 innings off a wild pitch. Oh, there's a dude on third. He runs in off a wild pitch and the game is over. The Red Sox lose. My God. Chris Sale throws a wild pitch, sails into the stands.
Hater.
Gomez is in to score. And this game is over. The Red Sox have been eliminated. What a heartbreaking loss.
Yikes.
I just picture Bill Simmons like, crying to his love scene and shit. Pew, pew, pew.
Actually, you put some respect on that man's name because he is a voice in NBA 2K19, I believe.
Oh, word?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
They made an announcement yesterday.
Hey, shout out to
him.
Billy.
Shout out to him. However, we are both... if you guys download the new Fortnite update, we are both bus drivers on the party bus.
Holla.
And I don't let people out. Flying over that, like, no, we're skipping this stop.
No.
We're skipping this stop.
You're like, yo, slow down. Yo, fam.
I pull the bus over in the air. You know what? We're going nowhere.
You just get out and run.
Get out the back. Just in front of the bus in the air, just smoking. Like,
yo,
bus start moving when you guys start behaving. How about that? How about that?
Yo, I'm go.
You know what? A lot of y'all came in through the back door in the Black Mirror. If y'all don't come in front and I don't see some Metro cards, listen, we going nowhere.
So
listen, y'all inconveniencing y'all fellow commuters. Like, I'm getting paid regardless.
This is up to y'all. I'm union, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Who said that?
You know
Matter of fact, everyone off the bus. Bus out of order. Bus out of service. There's like mad people just floating in the air, in the ocean. They're like, we never reached the fucking island.
Man, I'm trying to get to Tilted Towers, nigga.
I fucking changed the sign. It says emergency call 911. Just parked on the side, like waiting for the cops. Like, yeah, y'all think that shit's funny?
Yeah, B.
Fuck that.
Fuck, play with me.
I think I need this shit. I don't need this job. I think I'm an MTA employee. I can retire at 24.
Fuck that.
Full pension.
Yo,
$600K a year.
Yo, literally, if you go straight out of high school into like sanitation or bus driver, you can retire at like 35 and then just like sell drugs.
You can retire at 35 and like you get like $50,000 a month. It's ridiculous. $50,000 a month in your own bus. And everyone's like, what's wrong with the MTA? I'll tell you why. Because if you've been there 60 years, when you retire, they give you a whole subway line.
Yeah.
My uncle retired, he got the G line. He has like 6 G trains in front of his house in Bed-Stuy.
The guy, take that.
They're just rusting. One just has old tires in the back.
Just still got graffiti from like 89 on it and shit. Like.
We just gotta, in order to fix the MTA, they just gotta one day just be like, you know what? We fucked up. We restart. We starting over. Restart the MTA. If you set the fare back down to a quarter, we forget all the if the fare was a quarter, we would never complain about trains again.
Oh, nah.
Never.
Hell no. The only reason motherfuckers complain is because like they always are talking about, oh, we're gonna raise the fare. We might have to raise the fare. This, that, the third.
But here's the thing: if we make the fare a quarter, if you hop the turnstile, it's the death penalty. Listen,
and it's immediate.
Immediate.
Like, there's no court proceedings.
No,
they just throw you in front of
nothing.
a train.
just nigga with the infrared waiting. Like even if you get on the train as base, as long as the doors are closed. If the doors are open, they could dome you from behind. Like,
yeah, fuck out of here.
All right, I haven't thought it all the way through. Also, I think if we could, if we get enough of those mice that run on, like if we get them like on a wheel, generate some. We don't gotta pay Con
Oh
Ed.
yeah, nah. Yo, them rats can power like the entire 4-line, B. Niggas is brolic.
And what we need to do is build taller train stations in the Bronx, so the trains come in like a roller coaster. That's the problem. Instead of them, like if the train comes to your station, you know it eventually stops. But if it stops, it's gonna have to take energy to start.
Yeah.
The train should come into. They'll be like, "Yo, it's coming in! It's coming in!" You gotta like run and match the speed and like hop on. Way more efficient. Way more efficient. Like, throw a suitcase.
It's coming down from like the down fucking thing, like mad fast. Yo, hop on! Hop on! Oh, shit! It's like Subway Surfer.
I got a baby. Someone just grabs the camera. It's like, yeah, thank you.
Go look at.
You throw your baby while you're running. Like, yeah.
It's like those stupid movies where somebody's trying to run and jump on a freight train with the hobos.
Come on, next station is Van Cortlandt. Let's go.
Let's go.
Like it's sitting there, there's like a fire on the train. He's got like the fucking gloves with no fingertips, warming their hands. Where you taking this shit? I'm taking this South Street. I'm gonna take this to Union Court. I'm gonna go out to Philly.
Going out to Philly.
I heard there's a rutabaga farm. You can make some nice money out there. We're gonna head out west.
Yeah, it's a gold rush out there. There's a lot of angel dust.
Do you rappers know there's a SoundCloud rush right now? A lot of SoundCloud rappers moving to LA. So if you were a SoundCloud rapper, move to LA right now.
Move to LA.
Get discovered.
Yeah, I got mad like 20 somethings hit me up being like, yo, I'm in LA. I'm thinking about staying here. I'm like, don't stay there.
I mean,
you could stay there, but don't stay there. Like
you can, but if you move to LA or whatever, like yo, you get. You know what I'm saying,
you in the mix.
You in the mix.
You in the mix.
You in the mix.
You're in the mix, but like everybody's in the mix. Remember the fucking screening we did where it was like literally everybody came up to us and was like, yo, I'm a fucking Paula Deen impersonator. Like I'm trying to get work. Like come on, my dude. Like it's not saying it.
Shout out to a lot of people that move away just to talk about New York.
Yes.
I don't fam, I don't know what the science on that is. The only people who get offended by that are like New Yorkers because we're like, yo, what the fuck are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Why are you referencing shit from Sex and the City? He was like, yo, the best club in New York City is what? Fucking Speed? I'm like, okay.
It's a Bungalow. I heard Bungalow 8 was popping.
All right, okay. All right, that's not a club I used to shut down Spirit. Okay. All right.
Okay, Spirit was lit.
The only people that get that references are us. The niggas got bills and shit. Niggas don't care about that shit. Like, what are you doing in LA now? Come on, man.
I used to tear down speakers in Spirit. I saw Daddy Yankee live in Spirit once.
Exactly.
Dog. I've never seen so many Puerto Rican areolas in my life.
No, there's a lot of people. They're like, you couldn't pay me to go back to New York. I'm like, yo, it's like 9 a.m. Cali time, and you're tweeting about New York. Like why?
Why?
And it's not enough that you respond. You just look at it like, why? What did New York do to you, man?
Who hurt you here? Did you get bitten by a rat? Like, did you get mugged? What happened?
We just here, baby.
We just living our lives.
And it's like they shit on New York. It's like, yo, we live in New York. We shit on New York too. I'm not out here like, oh, this is the greatest city ever. Like, this shit is, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of expensive.
It's very expensive. A lot of this shit is whack, but it's the greatest city in the world. But
I don't know. I haven't been to enough cities.
The shit that makes
you think New York's better than Patterson?
I would say so.
Ooh, you can't go back to Patterson.
Patterson's very Bronxy.
Fetty Wap's gonna bust at you now.
I mean, like, I think Fetty Wap would agree that New York City is more poppin' than Patterson. Like, he's like, yeah, baby, I got a tower and a condo and a brownstone on the Upper West Side. But nah, like, even with all the like, LA's dope, but LA isn't dope because it's like at 11 o'clock, everybody's like,
It's 11, 10.
Yeah, like,
Sometimes it's like 8 o'clock there. It's like, don't got it, Chief. Ain't happening tonight.
I don't know, man. I got to wake up at 6 a.m. to watch this football game tomorrow.
Wow. Drag them. Drag them.
Yo, we got to watch this playoff game tonight. It's coming on at 3 p.m.
Drag them.
Got to pick the kids up from school and run home to watch the NBA Finals.
Wow. Wow. To quote the illustrious former UN Secretary General Joey, whoa. Yo. Shout out to all my gangs out there. Babies getting money. It's been episode 123.
Yo. Big up.
Big up to all them youth them. And by youth them, I mean the young babies.
The little
6 months and older still getting money. You can't stand, but you got a Gucci belt. Salute yourself, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They come out the womb boofing.
You know what I'm saying?
Mad fucking debit cards and shit. Yo.
They got mad blank debit cards like, yo.
My shit hitting.
Yo, my shit is hitting, B.
Yo, what's up? What's your name? Mom? All right, cool. Yo,
I bet.
Yo, send this mom bitch some edible arrangements. She been through a lot.
She been through a lot, B.
What's
you know
good?
what I'm saying? Yo, swipe. Don't worry about it, B.
It's good.
Pin number? Nah, fuck out of here. Nah.
Nigga, I got a cleft lip. I don't know what pin numbers. Fuck out of here. What you mean, nigga? Fuck out of here. But I have that same energy when I see you and I get these fucking vaccinations. You're dig? Yo, it's your boy, Jesus Nice, aka Young Boy, aka Pocket State Fat Cheerio, aka Chris Stats for Sling Dick, Eli Little, Bully Gully, Slubber that might know you, bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nanos with Rondo, Mil Novecento 94, Mikhail going off, the Juve Boss, MC WP, putting up for 40 with your shorty.
It's lit.
AK, don't talk to me no pool. I don't know you.
Yeah.
The original one, +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi and Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Charcoonery without the coonery. AK, Chill Limon, left hand reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo, K. Two Phone Jones. DJ Machina. J Chuckles. Stanley Cups. Demon Dr. Bond's label. Dilute. DNR the Trapio. Mr. 240 Peacock on Pino. Blurry.
Yeah. What orifice is that? I don't know.
You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you need that Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
But sometimes, you know, you just gotta dig in the crates, bro.
Yo.
And you gotta go DJ Watch FM.
Yo. Oh, shit.
And, you know, sometimes you gotta feel emo. And you just gotta let people know that.
Like, you're emotional, dude.
When you're emotional, sometimes, you know.
Dude, you gotta brush your bangs out of your hair.
Where you can always find me.
Yeah.
Halloween on Christmas. And in the night, we'll wish this never ends.
Oh my God. Never ends. Get ready. Watch the breakdown.
Where are you?
Yeah.
And I'm so sorry.
Little Blink 182. You just shout out to all of you that heard that and were immediately triggered by the thought of your parents getting a divorce. Yo, man, ran upstairs, slammed the door. I don't want to live with either one of you.
I hate you guys.
He wrote a letter to Shine the rapper, like, can I live with you?
Please.
Oh, my parents don't understand me.
He's like, yo, meet me at the Wailing Wall.
It's the commission. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Lean Sion, Rare nephews, the Moreno, you cannot
yo.
contain them. The human mimic, word to child. You and around the race of provocateur, Hedrick Bedcoast, Nelson Bandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human world is melting in your mouth, Mr. Beck, Sunday, Continue, Ricky Squabby, Quick Popovich, Marcia Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Magaby, but I got the cucumber.
Yo.
Juice of the press, but your boy never is.
God
I am the art, damn it.
Goddamn.
The Dundalli Ganoush, no cup of noodles, the Fashion Nova, Cash Nova, the Prince of Peckham, the William makes sense, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change, give me big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left, man says Merv.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro. Let's go get something to eat, bro.
Trill Rizzuto, holy cow, I'm at the money store giving high interest loans. I know you cannot pay back because it's 1980.
We are Sherlocking.
You have a Jerry curl. I should not approve you for this loan, but you know we're going to make it happen.
Let's get it.
Oh shit, you're Dave Winfield. Mr. South Park, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and what? Hey, it's me, Sonny D. Hey, it's me, Sonny D. Oh, God, get off, right? Get the cuffs off. I live here.
Yeah, so. The fuck out of the fridge.
Who caught? I live here. Who caught the cops on me? I'm a condiment.
Hey, it was me, nigga. It's California style, nigga. It's only room for one Sonny D in here, nigga. And it's me, Ray J, the Sonny D, California style, nigga.
David Yurman. This is Spencer. This is Red Bottom. This is Bloody Shows. Smoking no Andrew Cool.
Oh, yeah.
AKA the Junior Energy God. Junior comes down.
Yo, sit on it.
Call me Petco. I got your bitch on freeze. Imagine you get a call from Petco like, yo, I got your bitch on freeze right here.
You like, yo, what?
You left it here for grooming? Yo, bitch on freeze is here.
Like what, nigga?
Your bitch on freeze. Come get your bitch.
Yo, fam. Yo, I'm coming over there. Yo, get the strap.
Had that same energy when you come pick up your bitch on freeze. Topic of gossip is Syosset. That's right. Oh my
God.
Desus was in the quiet car. I think he's watching Pino on his thing and he didn't put his earbuds in.
God.
That's right. I'm like a nasty.
I can see the reflection in the mirror.
If I'm paying for a peak ticket, I'm doing peak nasty things. You know what I'm saying? That's right. I paid extra.
Oh, Big Wet Butts 38. My favorite.
AK Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket and tell your little badass kid stop touching things in the goddamn chocolate tattery.
No. Stop putting your tongue on the window.
What's wrong with you? Rockabrook. Mr. Chopper, that street easy bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black AJ addict will crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, refresh Mr. Marina, and a cold demeanor. AK, your problematic bay. Guess what? If those little things you plug into the wall, the Glade plugins, if they run out, just refill them with that what's that? Fabuloso.
Yeah.
I'm sure that won't cause a fire that will burn down your building and have it replaced with a gentrified building, but hey, you wanted to save $1.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Just boil it and get fucking mesothelioma.
There you go.
Yo, episode 123, you know what I'm saying? I got my mic, so I'm feeling real, you know what I'm saying? Feel real flu game-ish, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalif. You know what I'm saying? I respect the Bodega Boys, aka Skirt Loaded, jump the curb, hit your dog, keep moving, I don't give a fuck if I, you know what I'm saying? Call ASPC, a nigga, call fucking Dyfus, I don't give a fuck. Call ACS, call whoever you want, nigga, I don't care. You know why? Because I'm a fucking baby. I know fucking baby. I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? I came up, what, making it happen. AKA, don't you fucking dare check the guest SB. My picture is on there, nigga. You know who the fuck I am. I was just in Turks and Caicos jet skiing with Dave Chappelle. Let me in before I get else to chop your fucking face, nigga. You fucking bastard. AKA CC Diabathia, you know what I'm saying? I gotta torture me. You know what I'm saying? AKA, my kids got a trampoline with more square feet than most of y'all niggas' apartments. You know what I'm saying? Because you know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Bitch Smack Biombo, a.k.a. Diego Maradona.
Bitch Smack.
A.k.a. digging your baby Mutombo, you know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me now unless you bring me 20 goats that are very meaty and have no bones.
No bones.
No bones at all.
No bones.
You cannot have any.
No bones.
Okay? Motherfucker, aka Bartles Antenna, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. And I just leave it there and keep it moving because I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Aka the Dominicans and Daddy, aka swipe my card again. You know what I'm saying? There's definitely money on it. You know what I'm saying? Put the plastic bag on the shit if you have to, you fucking cornball. Do you know who the fuck I am? I was the voice of the candle nigga and Beauty and the Beast. Stupid.
Lumiere?
Yeah. Put some respect on my name, man. I have to put a little zest in my voice for that. You know what I'm saying? And a fucking accent. So put some respect on my thespianism. You fucking clowns. A.K.A. Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me find out. I'll kick your ass in some Chelsea boots, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You better not get out of pocket. I'll fuck you up. A.K.A. Lighten out Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for?
Is it weed?
I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got 5. And whatever that bag of like brown looking shit is, bro, that shit is not going in the blood. I'm sorry, dog. Like, those dust days are over. AKA, Tom Brady, your girl got my balls inflated. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Phil the Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, man. Especially the Milky Way. You know what I'm saying? When you come home from a long day of work at Target and you've been restocking shelves and you got that discharge, you know what I'm saying? You peel off the period panties. Yeah.
Boo. Sick nasty.
Yeah, nasty. Let me smell those before you put them in the hamper, man. AKA... Frying up messy every bit of gelato. AKA Daniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. You know what I'm saying? I dare you to smug with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Peels Day. You know what I'm saying? We out here turned up. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your glutes with a pair of Fitbits so you can get your ass to stepping. You fucking jive turkey. How dare you disrespect me in my office? I'm about to be the president in this bitch after everybody goes down. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is. It's the Zen Man. It's gonna be AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lion ass nigga. Come on, man. I know it says courtesy car on the fucking front of the car, but it's mine, man. Trust me, Jamal, it's mine, man. AKA Baby Newport. 2-5 niggas got garbage on the way. Them shits is stand from like Delaware. Some shit. Them shits is fugazi. AKA in your bra, shut the car down. AKA live from the bottle exchange machine behind Fine Fair. It's the East Tremont Stevie B. I wanna be the one you DD is fucking. Dope sick love, come back to me. Catch me leading on the 4 train. You know what I'm saying? Signing autographs. AKA, listen, mate, there's no more rock stars left. I've been told you that. So I had to come from across the pond, mate, to let you know that Bodega Boys are the only fucking rock stars left in the world.
The only.
You know what I'm saying? The only ones. You know what I mean? And it's me, your boy. The plantain swooping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with Julio's bundles in my butt. That's why you've been keeping the bundles all this time, Julio, you fucking asshole. I've been calling you for days. Papi, I'm going to block your number. I'm going to call the police on you. Get away from me. AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never going to fail. AKA, pulling up from Astro World. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony. Oh my God, it's lit. Swish. If you see me at Target taste testing snacks with my eyes redder than Mike Jordan 5 a.m. at the Bellagio, mind your fucking business. If you can't approach me like an Ursine mammal, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I so fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's out of Baja Blast and comment talking about my pants are sagging, bitch, on my dick because I look like the parrot from Aladdin. That don't even make any sense, nigga. Fuck out of here. AKA, Hasan, tírame la pizza, coño. Wey. Llegó el TT FIFA, el más loco todo en vivo este noviembre en la fucking MSG, my nigga. Si tú me tienes de más, ve rapa con tu madrina, envidioso. Yo ando con los míos y nada más sobo pistola y toto. Oíste, guaremate, más peine que un salón para los que se ponen de lambón. En Los Mi con Hasan y pila de moe. Mami, dime que lo que. That's right.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? We uptown.
As we just mentioned, we are going to be at New York Comedy Fest.
That's right.
Tickets available at nycomedyfestival.com. Come see us. Billboard, Conan O'Brien, Jim Jeffries, Mark Maricon,
everybody,
Drill Tracy Morgan, Bodega Boys, and Fluffy Guy at the Garden.
Yo!
You know I'm saying? Come see us tear it down before Kevin Knox shuts it down.
You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna feel like a playoff game.
That's right.
It's gonna be real.
Yeah.
Big things are going. Shout out to the sponsors.
You know what I'm
saying? Shout out to Red Bull as always.
Red Bull, shout out to Squidder Cash.
You know what it is. Episode 123.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? If you heard what we said earlier, you know what to do now. We out.
Holla.
Anybody heard from Cheetos? No, they ain't like send like a pallet over. We've been begging them for like three episodes now. Like they gotta send some shit over. They gotta send over like one big ass Cheeto.
That shit is like owned by Trump.
It's gonna be the size of like 4 turntables.
It's like a gyro, like the gyro meat. Big ass Cheeto.
She's gonna get inside the fucking Serato boxes and shit, just short shit out. Just getting sucked into the fans.
Like, we're getting
Giant Cheeto destroys Red Bull Studios. I thought it was a good idea.
Oh my god! You let the synagogue on fire with Cheeto dust.
Oh, well, sugar now. Coming to the stage.
Yo.
At Dreidel, the #1 strip club in Israel.
DJ Minus Yahoo on the 1 and 2s.
She's gonna blow your shofar.
All right. Up next, we have Jessica Sorenstein.
Remember, no touching if you're Palestinian.
Also, remember, Palestine does not exist.
It's not rockets, but check out Hamas.
Oh my god! Yeah, I go.
Out there too.
No, those were out there when I came in. Oh shit! The sponsor, Crunchy Cheetos. You get. Damn, that's.
Is there any dairy in them shits? Because every time I eat a bunch of them shits, I wake up the next morning like, yo.
There's like traces of dairy. They got milk and brackets. So.
We got milk.
If you gotta use PEMDAS to figure out your ingredients in your chips, that's it. Niggas talking real fast like the guy from Micro Machines. Like,
Shit will kill you. They're gonna make you pee on your ass.
Micro Machine aircraft carrier. There, you can't have that. Can't have this. New Micro Machine aircraft carrier playset. The dramatically detailed, truthfully trimmed replica of the real thing that holds 25 Micro Machines with fabulous, fantastic.
Is it the white twister?
The real working parts, cargo arms. The new Micro Machine aircraft carrier playset from Galoob. Remember, if it doesn't say Micro Machines, it's not the real thing.
It's not the real thing.
He died. What's he up to now?
That nigga don't even. He's not even rapping as fast as like Busta Rhymes. Like, I thought that was like back in the day. It was like, yo, he's talking mad fast. Technology, B.
He questions the legitimacy of those who claim to be faster than he is. Hey, his nickname is Motor Mouth. It got nothing to do with the talking fast.
Yo, niggas out of control, LinkedIn.
Ooh.
Has anybody gone down since fucking Cohen and Manafort?
Nah, but those are pretty big.
Yeah, I mean, like, yo, your lawyer's locked up, nigga. You got problems. I wouldn't represent myself. You imagine to see.
For the record label, I fear courtesy of myself. Remember that Rick Ross shit?
What was this?
Remember that Rick Ross skit? The London 2 socks?
Oh my god. Yo, Rick Ross. I feel like Rick Ross is just in the studio like, yo, you want to do a skit, nigga? I wipe my ass with one
London,
sock.
England, January. The weather, grey. The rain, thick. I wake up, depression all around me. Dark thoughts clouding my mind. And I open the drawer and I see 2 things. I see the warm Todd loafers and I see the crisp cashmere socks. And I know that today is going to be a good day. $100 a sock. 2 ankles, you do the math. Pour them on, socks on first, followed by the loafers. Then I know from that day, that week, that month, that year, that decade, that millennium, that we can be rich forever.
This is a virtual nigga doing a British accent. Nigga Rick Ross.
I have no idea what that was about, but that shit was inspiring as fuck.
Yo, 2 socks to it. $100.
Like cashmere socks. You should not listen.
$100 a sock.
You don't want to be wearing cashmere socks, dog.
Yeah, you take you gotta peel them shits off.
You wear cashmere socks, you're guaranteed to have to step in a puddle at some point during the day.
Yeah, of course.
Now you got a wet cashmere sock.
It's like a British fucking sitcom.
Every time you step, it's like you stand in someone's like 1990s bathroom that had like fucking a rug in the bathroom by the toilet.
Like,
Why's this shit always wet?
Yo.
Oh, we had a flood last week.
That shit don't dry. Nah, nigga, that's pee. You pee.
And they got the puffy toilet seat.
Oh,
that shit is kind of old, so it's kind of broken in some parts. So it kind of cuts you with the vinyl.
That shit absorbs all the pee, nigga. That you pee on the seat.
You sit down and it fuffs down, and it's not supposed to do that. It's just collecting all the ghosts of farts past.
If you pee on those, so they're basically sponges wrapped in plastic. So if you got a soft toilet seat, tell your titi. I know titis love the soft toilet seat because of the hemorrhoidal problems. Tell them chill, yo. Get the real shit at the bidet joint. You know what I'm saying?
I was at Bed Bath & Beyond. They got the squatter potty. It's like a little bench that goes in front of your toilet. So you squat.
Yeah, like nature intended.
Yeah. I mean, that makes sense because I'm tired of getting like Timberland things on my bowl. You know what I'm saying? Because I'll be up there like, yeah. Nigga, I'll be like Jorge Posada. Like, yeah, what's up? Throwing down signs. What's up?
I got my thumbnail painted and shit. I'm like,
yo, throw this curve.
This shit's coming right down the middle.
My butthole looks at me, makes that nod, goes back.
Nigga checks first.
Then I'm like, bulk! It's all sound and fury. Run and take first. They're booing him.
Yo. Oh, shit.
He's got pine tar. Yo, he's got pine tar on the neck of his butthole. It's affecting the curve.
I'm like, nah, sir, that's guac, sir. I went to Cadoba earlier.
Listen.
Yo.
You gotta start.
Oh, was any of that recorded?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
I thought you started when I left. I told you.
Oh, no, yeah.
Oh, nah. Like, we was just playing music and talking and shit. Like,